The stream starting.
What is going on, guys? Welcome to the live stream. Welcome to the Crypto Hangout episode 25. Thank you guys for coming to the live stream. Let's go, guys. The bull market is back. You really don't know, guys, but I'm gonna take a look here at the markets. Appreciate all of you guys on here. You guys are awesome. Episode 25. It's kind of weird because we might reach 25k right in episode 25. So this is gonna be an exciting episode. I don't think we'll reach 25k tonight. Maybe tomorrow, right? But as for tonight, I don't think so, unless we got like a short squeeze up there. But yeah, thank you guys for joining the live stream. What's up, Crypto Billionaire? What's up, Lulu? Appreciate all of you guys on here. Let me see, do I have this here? Let me share here the live stream public. Oh yeah, I gotta put this in the playlist. Gotta make sure I do this all the time because I want to make sure I have all the live streams in the playlist in order, right? But thank you guys so much for coming to the live stream. Crypto Billionaire Lulu. We're gonna take a look here at Bitcoin technical analysis, right? And you can see, like I talked about this yesterday, I said that us bouncing off of here is bullish, right? And we can see that we did have a nice big bounce up here, right? So very bullish bounce here. Let me get this right here on TikTok as well, so we can double live stream. All right, let's get it right here. About to go double live. There we go. All right. See right here. There we go. Perfect. Let's go live here both on TikTok and YouTube. Right? Also just posted a short today, guys. Definitely go watch it. It's pretty funny. Hey, what's up, Z Wonderful? Thanks for joining the live stream. How are you today? Thank you for coming to the live stream. I'm just setting this up here for TikTok, so we can do a double live stream, right? Two places, which is awesome. But yeah, thank you guys so much for joining. Your background music is too loud. Okay, it's too loud. Let me put it down a little bit. Thank you, Crypto Billionaire. My background music is a little too loud. Let me know if it's good right there. I want to keep a little I want to keep it balanced because I saw last time it was kind of low. So I want to make sure it's the right balance, right, with my voice and everything. So let me know if this is good. I feel like it's good right now. I put it a lot lower. But yeah, let's go live here on TikTok as well. Let me put the light better here on me. Awesome. All right, so we're double live streaming here both on TikTok and on YouTube. After this nice short squeeze that we had today, right? A huge, beautiful pump here for Bitcoin. Coming back to 24K, right? Episode 25, guys. Thank you guys so much for coming to episode 25. That's good. Thank you, Crypto Billionaire. Thanks for letting me know the volume is good. But yeah, will we reach 25K in episode 25? Maybe, right? Maybe. If we break this huge, break this huge resistance here. Look, you can see that we pumped up exactly to the top of the bear flag that was once a bear flag, right? We pumped up exactly to it right here, right? Not exactly to it, but close enough, right? So we're right. We pumped up today to 24,900, making new highs here since months ago. Since we weren't at this level since back in August. If you guys remember that first week in August, right? We weren't at these prices since August 13th, right? And we just came to it today. So I don't think we'll reach 25K tonight, maybe tomorrow. And I'm so happy because tomorrow I have off, so I'll be live streaming tomorrow during the day. I'm gonna try my best to wake up early because I would love to like stream before the market opens. right? So I'm gonna try to do that. But tomorrow I'm definitely gonna be live streaming during the day, so watch out for that. And I'm also thinking about doing a giveaway, guys. I want to give back to you guys. I recently got new people to the Patreon, and one of them joined the tier 3, which is $73 a month, right? I'm so happy, I'm grateful, and I just want to give back through a giveaway for you guys here on YouTube and on TikTok. And if I do a giveaway, it'll be definitely through crypto. I'm thinking about XRP. I'm thinking about doing a giveaway for XRP, mainly because I think XRP will do well. And I you know, sending XRP is just, it's literally like feeless. Like, it's no fees at all. It's really easy, fast, simple. So I'm thinking about doing an XRP giveaway tomorrow, maybe. So tune in tomorrow throughout the day. I'm gonna be doing a giveaway. Hey, thank you, Usber, for joining the live stream. What's up, T Money? Yo, my guy, what's going on, T Money? Thanks for going to the live stream, bro. Did you see Shiba Inu? Did you see the markets today, right? It's looking beautiful out there if you're in the markets. But again, you know, this is probably still a dead cat bounce, right? You know, which a lot of people think it is. But we're gonna be taking a look here at my watch list. I created a watch list here. I got a wallet that is dry. What do you mean, Lil Poopy? Lil Poopy on TikTok says, I got a wallet that is dry. What do you mean your wallet is dry? Obsidian Skin, what's up, bro? If Elon ever set Shiba to the moon, it would take $1 or a cent. To be, I wouldn't say it would take it to $1 or a cent. I don't think it would do that. I think it would pump, right? But I don't think it'll take it to $1 or a cent. But Obsidian Skin, but if Elon, okay, if news came out that Elon is Ryoshi, or that he's like behind Shiba too, like he's one of the founders and he's behind Shiba Inu, then yes, I could see it going to a cent. Okay, but him just tweeting that, I don't think it'll take Shiba Inu to that, right? It needs some XRP. Yeah, so tomorrow I'm gonna do I don't know, I was thinking about doing it tonight, but tomorrow most likely I'm gonna do an XRP giveaway. So make sure you got the notification bell. If you're over on TikTok, go to my YouTube, put the notification bell. I think you can also put the notification bell here on TikTok too, so when I go live you get notified. But I'm gonna do a XRP giveaway tomorrow. Okay, I want to give back to you guys. I've been getting new people on the Patreon, and I'm just so grateful for that. And yeah, I just want to give back, and you know, I've been wanting to give back, so that's highly possible. Yeah, there's a lot of rumors regarding Elon Musk being behind Shiba, or you know, these other small coins, right? So we'll see if it is true. Lil Poopy says Elon is accepting Doge for Twitter. Yeah, and Dogecoin today coming back to 9 cents, right? Dogecoin around 9 cents right now. Again, I told you I got 2 Dogecoin mini miners, so I am pretty bullish on Dogecoin. It's one of my biggest holdings as well, and I just been mining Dogecoin just passively with my 2 Dogecoin mini miners. I'm grateful I was able to get it at a super good price during this bear market, and man, I took the opportunity. I saw it for a really good price, and I bought it. And I haven't seen that price. I haven't seen people selling, you know, the Dogecoin mini miner for that price ever since I got it, around $230. And retail price is like $500. I wouldn't pay retail price for you know, for the Dogecoin mini miner, but I got it for a good price in my opinion. Obsidian Sky says the way they speak is a little similar, but maybe I'm just wishing for that. Haha. Yeah, it is kind of a little similar. You're right about that, and man, I am wishing for that too, because if that is true, you're gonna see a lot of more Shiba Inu millionaires, right? Hey, what's up, Sean? Sean says, what's your read on the latest pump? Yeah, I mean, I wouldn't say anything exactly specific on the I mean, I guess you can say with the CPI, this could be like a, you know, a lag reaction to the CPI being a little bit lower, right? Or just being neutral, right? But I think when I look at the charts, a big reason for this pump, just looking at the charts, I actually said it last stream yesterday. I said this. If you guys were here yesterday, I said right here, we were right over here, and I said, okay, you see this? This is bullish. We are making supports on this huge macro downtrend again, just like we did right here, right? But this time we came back down, right? We came over it, and we're making support on this huge macro downtrend, which is bullish. And yeah, right, the next day, huge pump up. So I would say, looking at the charts, that's one of the biggest reasons why we did have this pump, just because we started making nice support and getting a nice bounce off of this huge macro downtrend. And just to show you how important this huge macro downtrend right here, let me actually change the color of it, because I just want to make it stand out. Okay, I want to make it stand out here, not that color. We're gonna make it not orange. I'm just gonna make it pink. I'm gonna make it pink. Yeah, I'm going to make it pink. Okay, there we go. I'm gonna make it pink. So just to put in perspective how important this is, look at this, right? Look at this, all-time high, 48K. Remember that huge dead cat bounce right there, 48K, and then recently we broke it. But guess what happened? I called this too. I said we're coming back down to retest it. I said this when we were around here. If you guys were here last live stream, and that's exactly what happened. We came back down, retested it, and now we're getting a nice bounce from it. So could this be the last time we see this line? Sure, right? Because I said usually we do come back down and retest it, and that's exactly what happened. So yeah. Hey, thank you guys so much for coming to TikTok. We got 92 likes on TikTok. Don't forget to like, guys. It definitely helps out the live stream a lot. We got 3 likes on YouTube, 11 viewers. Thank you guys so much for coming to the live stream. Appreciate all of you guys on here. If you guys want me to check out any specific coins, I'll definitely be happy to check it out. We're just looking at Bitcoin at the current moment. But we're going to take a look here at some of the coins here that are up today on my official watch list, Kingdom Trader watch list. I'm gonna make this. I'm making this watch list available for the Patreon. But this is the watch list here that I have. XRP up 5% on the day, right? Bitcoin is actually up 11% on the day today. 11. Since when was Bitcoin up 11%, right? So Bitcoin up 11%, XRP up 5%. Ethereum up 8%, right? Cardano up 6%, Dogecoin back to 9 cents, up 7%, Polygon up 6%, Solana having a great day, up 9% as well, right? So a lot of coins up here. Avalanche is up 10% on the day, which is great as well, right? Chainlink up 8%. You see some other coins here. HBAR up 6%. Right, Algorand up 8% on the daily. Right, this is all on the daily, right? A lot of coins up here, around 9. Look at this render token, guys. I've been telling you guys so much about this coin, and I'm so happy I bought a little bit of the dip. But render token back up to $2, up 20% on the day. Render token, RNDR. This is insane. And I called this out. I called this coin out when it was 40 cents. Render token. Zilliqa up 8%. Right, so a lot of coins up here. Let me see if there's some other big gainers here on the day that we can find here. Right, so that's my watch list. I'm going to make it available for the Patreon. What sucks is that I can't make it private on CoinMarketCap, so let me see if CoinGecko actually can let you make a watch list that is like a privated, because that would be awesome, right? Hey, what's up, Summer? Thanks for coming to the live stream. How have you been? Thanks for joining the live stream. Appreciate all of you guys coming on here. Wow, we got 248 likes. Thank you guys so much for coming to the live stream. We're taking a look here at Bitcoin. Finally rising up here on the daily, right? Look at this. Look how fast we start to come up here to over bot territory. We're still not there yet, but you know, it's not longer. It was literally yesterday or a couple days ago. We were in oversold territory, right? Very oversold. Now we're near overbought territory on the daily, right? On the 4 hour as well. We already very overbought on the 4 hour, right? So yeah. And also, let me look here on my official indicator. Let's take a look here. Let's take a look here at my official indicator. Get a hotkey for this. Yeah, so you can see right here, look, right on my official indicator, we have a nice bounce off here off of the bottom down chain channel, right? And you can see we got a nice bounce here, and we're back over the top Keltner band, right? We're back over the top Keltner band. Since we've been here was February 2nd, over the top Keltner band. Question is, when we do come back down here, will we make support on the top Keltner band, right around 24,180? Right, if we do, that's gonna be bullish. If we make support on the top Keltner band, right, that's gonna be very bullish, and we can even most likely continue to pump here, right? So pay attention to this on the daily. I love your lives. Thank you so much, Z Wonderful. Thank you for coming to the live stream. I love you being here. But let's take another perspectives here on the 4 hour. You can, wow, look, so on the 4 hour we are way into the red cloud, right? Look at that. We're like way into that red cloud, and we haven't been into this red cloud since right here, since that initial pump. But this could be the start of the initial pump, right, where we continue to go pumping above into that red cloud. But right now we are in it on the 4 hour, at least the 4 hour. Now on the 1 hour we're actually above it, which is insane, right? So Bitcoin above into the red cloud here on the hourly. And look at this. On the hourly actually gave us some big signals here, right? Because you can see right here on the hourly, right, before this huge mega pump, right, we were on the hourly, we pumped you know, over the top Keltner band. But not just that, we started making support on the top Keltner band, right, bouncing off once, 2, 3 times before that huge pump. So if I was looking at this all day, right, if I was a trader and I was looking at this chart all day, that would have been a big sign for me to probably long, right? So Bounty Gate says, do Shiba? Yeah, sure, I'll take a look here at Shiba for you. Shiba is actually one of my biggest holdings, so I am very optimistic on Shiba Inu. I'll take a look here at Shiba Inu, right? Let's take a look here at Shiba. I want to see if there's another Shiba chart here, because I really don't like this one because it doesn't have that much history, right? Looking back here, this one has more history. Yeah, okay. Can I favorite this one? KuCoin. Okay, I got it. There we go. Alright, I just favorited this one here. So Shiba Inu, look at this. Shiba Inu, right? Also in this really amazing uptrend, right? You can see right here. The trend is your friend, right? Until it's not. And we can see a beautiful uptrend here for Shiba Inu. As we continue here, let me actually change the color here. Hey, thank you for the rose, Rick. Rick sending us a rose here on TikTok. Carrie says, what is your TikTok handle so I can follow you on there? Yes, so Carrie, my TikTok handle is You can just search Sir Lewis, but it's underscore Sir Lewis. But I think if you search Sir Lewis, it should probably find it. Let me actually test it out right here. But it's underscore Sir Lewis on TikTok. Let's go to TikTok real quick. Let's try to find my account, because kind of curious. Sir Lewis. Yeah, so it would be the first one. So it's underscore Sir Lewis. It's this blue one right here. It's this this blue one right here. So this is my TikTok handle. We got 5,000 followers. I post TikToks every single day. I'll actually put the link here, so it'll be easier for you to go follow me on there. And what I do is, a lot of times, like when I post TikToks, I'll post that same TikTok on YouTube as a YouTube short. Recently, YouTube is now monetizing YouTube Shorts, which is amazing. And yeah. What's up, doctor and lawyer? Thanks for coming to the live stream, bro. How you been? What you been up to, bro? Litecoin is going to explode as Bitcoin does. Yes, agree. And look, this year is Litecoin's happening, right? This is Litecoin's happening. Litecoin finally above $100 as we speak. Litecoin's happening is this year. Bitcoin's happening is next year, right? We see from history that Litecoin does amazing when Bitcoin does amazing as well, right? And you know, I really like Litecoin. I think Litecoin is one of the OG coins. It survived multiple bear markets, and I think it's a great coin, to be honest. Even though a lot of people might not like it, right? A lot of people say Dogecoin is basically Litecoin, just like rebranded as like a meme coin, right? But yeah, look, Shiba Inu, right? So Shiba Inu, and this really amazing uptrend here ever since we have this bottom here. But as you can see, we are also, right? This is actually pretty interesting here. So Shiba Inu, you can see this resistance here, right? Once we break this resistance, man, then we can blast off for Shiba Inu, in my opinion. You see this resistance right here for Shiba Inu? The target to break for Shiba Inu before we blast off even more is quadruple 0.14.2, and we're pretty close to it, right? Once this happens, I can definitely see Shiba Inu, you know, once we break this resistance level, I can see Shiba Inu blast off past its previous lower high, which was around quadruple 0.18 or so, right? And that would be amazing for Shiba to blast off through that, right? Like I said, guys, I've been buying Shiba Inu. It's one of my biggest holdings the last couple of months. I've just been accumulating, as well as Luna Classic, as well as XRP, Dogecoin. Bitcoin next targets. Yeah, Radu, so let's take a look here at Bitcoin, okay? I haven't actually looked at Bitcoin too much today. I was working today, but tomorrow I have off. And also, guys, if you guys are just joining in, tomorrow during the day, I'm going to be live streaming during the day. And I'm going to do an XRP giveaway. So if you guys want to get XRP, I'm going to do a giveaway tomorrow. It's going to be easy to like participate. And it's just, you know, free XRP. So put the notification bell if you guys are new. I also double live stream on YouTube. So I'm going to do an XRP giveaway tomorrow just to give back, because I've recently been getting Patreons. And one of them actually is a tier 3, which is amazing, and I'm grateful if you are one of them, if you're watching. Thank you so much. And I just want to give back, so I'm gonna do a giveaway tomorrow for you guys. I'm just gonna say it's not gonna be a huge giveaway. It's not gonna be like the biggest giveaway, but instead of doing just one big giveaway, I'd rather do like small giveaways each live stream. You know what I'm saying? So instead, if I have like $100 to give away, I'd rather do, right, like 25 here, 25 here, 25. You know what I'm saying? So I'd rather do that every live stream than just one big giveaway right away. What do you think? So yeah, what I think about right here. So yesterday we actually, I was telling you guys this. If you guys are here yesterday, I was saying that this was pretty bullish. I said this yesterday, that this was bullish here because we were making support, right, on this huge macro downtrend, which was once resistance multiple times, and we haven't broken this since 48k. But we broke it, and since we broke it, I told you guys, ever since we broke it, I said watch out, we're gonna come back and retest it, which we did. But I told you guys the bullish scenario, which was the bullish scenario is us making support here, which we did, and we bounce off of it, which we did. And you can see that when we did make support, we have, you know, a huge short squeeze up here back to 24,500, right? So I told you guys this last live stream. Now, where can Bitcoin go next? I would say right here, we need to break this target. Bitcoin needs to break this target right here for it to blast off even more, which is around 25,150, right? Basically the top of this bear flag, right? And you can see why it started slowing down here and wicked up here near the top of the bear flag, because there's a lot of resistance here, right? Look at this. There's a lot of resistance here, so we need to break this top of this bear flag, which is basically around 25k or 25,150, around there. Once we do break that, you know, you can definitely expect Bitcoin to have another big pump, possibly to even 26,800, right? So my next target, if we break that, is possibly 26,800, around there. Okay, 26,800, 26,900. So that's my opinion. Again, I still think Bitcoin is going to capitulate due to a black swan this year, but you know, I've been accumulating a little bit. I'll take $100 in Shiba. You rather the giveaway be in Shiba? I actually chose XRP because XRP has, like, it's really easy to transfer. It's like 0 withdrawal fees. And because I'm bullish on XRP, and I'm pretty sure a lot of people are too. But you know, if I gotta check the withdrawals on Shiba, if they are pretty low, then maybe I'll do Shiba. Yeah, Shiba lags behind. Yeah. So one thing to watch out, guys, is you're probably gonna see altcoins blast off in the next coming days if Bitcoin continues to. If Bitcoin breaks its previous lower high, which is 25.3, you're gonna see altcoins go crazy, and you definitely want to prepare for that. Right, obviously not financial advice, because we can see right here when we look at the Bitcoin dominance chart, right? We're getting another pump here on the Bitcoin dominance chart, and we've seen this from history that at some point, just like right here, just like what happened right here when we topped out here on the Bitcoin dominance chart, we start to come down. That's when all coins start to pump, right? And that's when Bitcoin dominance starts to come down, when all coins start to pump and Bitcoin kind of, you know, slows down or stays flat, right? So, you know, watch out if Bitcoin does break that previous lower high at 25.3, which we tried to break back in August and we failed to. Hasn't been enough black swan. Yeah, look, so regarding black swan, why I think, and you guys know my opinion for this year, I made a YouTube video on it. I think that, you know, we're still gonna see a big capitulation from a black swan event. I don't know what it is, I don't know what it could be, but that's just my gut feeling. Not a chance. Inflation is going to slow things very much. You think so? Wait, so you think inflation is gonna go higher? If Bitcoin breaks and holds 25k, hold is a big thing, then we are in for, yeah, for sure, right? Like I said, breaking that 25.3 is huge, right? Wow, thank you guys so much for 300 likes. Don't forget to like, guys. It definitely helps out the live stream a lot. Sam Harb says VRA, VRA, VRA. Yeah, Sam, I've been talking about VRA for months now too. I'm a big fan of VRA, Veracity. I've been you know, buying them as well. It's one of my low cap gems plays, right? But I do like VRA. What's up, Grizz? How you been, bro? Damn, we got the whole gang here. We got Doctor, Grizz, T Money, Scammer Proof both on YouTube and on TikTok for the double support. Wow, you guys are killing it today. I just want to say thank you for all the support, guys. If you guys are just tuning in, I'm doing a giveaway tomorrow, XRP giveaway here in the live stream. Tomorrow's my off day, so I'll be live streaming during the day. So don't miss out the giveaway. It's gonna be easy to get into. to participate in the giveaway, so I'm gonna do one tomorrow. It can be a trap though. Yeah, for sure. Right. Joe says, where do you see ETH 1 to 3 years, and when do you see the next bull run? Joe, great question by Joe. So Joe, my opinion, what I think 2023 is gonna be 2020, and I think 2024 is gonna be 2021. And what I mean by that is that 2020, right, the beginning of 2020, we start to have a nice, you know, structure, bullish structure, the same way that we're having it right now, right, the beginning of 2020, until March comes and we have that huge black swan event, which we know was C19. And that was, when that happened, Bitcoin capitulated it to $3,000 all the way from 12, right, or 14. And I think that's going to be something similar to this year. I think we're going to see a big capitulation due to a black swan event, which is obviously unexpected. And comparing now to 2020, we are way more vulnerable to a black swan event than back then, right? Like, we have war going on right now, we have inflation, we have layoffs, we have interest rate, we have so many things that could possibly take place for a black swan event, and you know, in Binance and all these things that are going on in crypto, right? So that's what I see happening this year. But the good news is that, like I said, 2021 is going to be our 2024. And by that I mean that when you look at the chart, right, towards the end of 2020, we start to slowly climb back up, right, in accumulation. And then 2021, that's when you later see the all-time highs. That's when you see that bull cycle and you see that euphoric in the markets. And I think that's going to happen sometime later in 2024, especially after the halving. So that's my opinion. Everyone has their own opinion. Heck, right, like we can have a bull market this year, a surprise bull market this year, right? But I think this year is going to be very, if we don't see, you know, lower lows this year, if you don't see like a lower low to like 12k, 10k, then most likely I think we're just going to be in a range this year from like 45k to 30k. You know what I'm saying? Like just in that range the entire year, which a lot of people are saying that this year is like accumulation for the next bull market, which could be later in 2024. So that's my opinion. I've actually, if you guys are new to me in my whole brand and channel, I've actually predicted the Bitcoin bottom in 2022, and I'll show you guys proof. I made a video back in February of last year, 2020, like last year, 2022. Yeah, I made a video last year, and I basically said that I can see Bitcoin going to 15,000 as the bottom for 2022, not the bottom for the entire bear market. And I made that video, which is still up, and I even put in the thumbnail, I put 15k in the thumbnail, like in the thumbnail for the video. And when I made that video, we were around 45k, 48k Bitcoin. And during that time, I would say that 80% of the people were still bullish. Like they still thought that we were in a bull market and we're gonna go to 100k, right, after dipping down to 45k. And I was one of the few ones, along with like 20% or 10% other people, that thought that no, this is the beginning of the bear market. And yeah, you know, we were right on. So Michael Hole says Vault Inu version 2 charts. Yeah, I have some Vault Inu as well. I have a little bit of Vault Inu. What's up, Michael Hole? Scammer proof. 1,000 XRP. LOL. No, I'm not gonna do it. I'm not gonna do 1,000 XRP giveaway. I said that my giveaway tomorrow, if you guys are just joining in, I'm gonna do a giveaway tomorrow. Instead of doing one big giveaway, I want to do like small increments, right? And just I feel like that'll be better. But yeah, I'm definitely gonna do an XRP giveaway tomorrow. Let me know if you guys like XRP. Should I do something else? The reason why I picked XRP is mainly because it's super fast, and it's like withdrawal, like has like 0 withdrawal fees. It's really good to withdraw, versus like other coins you have to pay like fees, especially for the exchanges, right? So Let me know your thoughts. Stim says, Lewis, I'm going to trade all my Atom and Osmosis for Yumi, trying to get 1 million Yumi. Man, be careful, be careful. You know, I would say, you know, I would be careful putting all your eggs in one basket, especially, you know, if Atom is a great investment, and right, like Atom, you know, like Atom can survive, like Yumi can fail and Atom can still survive, right? But if Atom survives, then Yumi most likely will be successful too, right? Because Atom is it's part of Atom's ecosystem. XRP is good. Okay, so Scammer Proof said that XRP is good. Bounty Gate says, I love Shiba. Hey, what's up, Divergence? Thanks for coming to the live stream, bro. What's your thoughts on Wild? Man, I never heard of that coin, to be honest. I gotta check that coin out. Let me know what that coin's about. I gotta check it out here. I think I may have heard of it one time, but I really don't. Oh, okay, I heard of it. Yeah, Wilder World. So it's like a gaming coin, right? Like it's a game. Wow, we got 70 viewers over on TikTok, over 1,000 likes. Thank you guys so much for coming to the live stream. You guys are killing it. 70 viewers on TikTok, and we got 17 views. Oh, look at that. So 70 viewers and 17 viewers on YouTube. That's pretty good. Wow, you guys are killing it tonight. Thank you guys so much for the support. But yeah, Sniff says, Lewis, I'm going to trade all. I already read that. 2024 will be for sure a bull run. Yeah, and yeah, I think it will be, but I don't think it's gonna be the beginning of 2024 that we're gonna start to see like that huge bull run. You know, it could take some months into 2024. I think it's gonna be later on, maybe mid or quarter 3 of 2024, right? But for sure, we're gonna see some good movement 2024. And a lot of people are predicting also too that the Fed is gonna, you know, start be more dovish, right? Not, you know, increase interest rates as well, right? Akbar says, are you taking a short on this? No, I'm not taking a short. I'm not in a trade right now. I'm not in any trade right now on this. Slim says, I'm arranging my portfolio 75% Bitcoin and 25% small caps. That's a great portfolio. That's pretty good. So Sniff over on YouTube said that he's gonna do 75% of his portfolio is gonna be in Bitcoin and then 25 in small caps. So yeah, that's pretty good. That's pretty, you know, if you're conservative, that's pretty good, right? To be honest, like me, my portfolio is nothing like that. I actually don't have any Bitcoin at the moment. Even though my dream is to have at least one Bitcoin. A big reason why I don't have any Bitcoin at the moment is Celsius, right? What happened with them? And to be honest, if Celsius didn't go down, I would have had the opportunity to buy one Bitcoin, because I basically sold 90% of my coins back when Bitcoin was around 45k, and I literally just had enough to buy, you know, to have at least one Bitcoin. And yeah. Akbar says, waiting for the pullback. ETH prediction, safe to say over 5 to 7k within 3 years. Yeah, I think ETH, if ETH is successful, you can definitely, you know, I wouldn't be surprised with 10k, 15k ETH. You know, if everything goes right with Ethereum, and it, you know, and one of the big narratives for Ethereum is liquid staking, right? Staking with ETH 2.0. If everything goes well with ETH, right, I would not be surprised with 10k, 15k Ethereum, right? So don't sleep on ETH. If you don't have any ETH, don't sleep on Ethereum, right? We seen ETH reach over 4,000 last bull market all-time high, right? So next bull market, I wouldn't be surprised if it reaches 15k, to be honest. Okay, going to speed up the cycles. Now the bull run is starting this year, marketing crypto Super Bowls and crypto World Cups, etc. You think the bull market is starting this year? Well, it depends when the bull market starts for you, right? Because like if you think we already bottomed, then technically you think that the bull market is already starting, right? If you think that we bottomed. ETH is great, one of my faves. Me too, Summer Breeze. ETH is definitely one of my faves too. Let me know if you have any. Oh, we got 56 viewers on TikTok. Doctor says, I'm still bullish on BATs. I believe one day we'll see ads on TV about the browser. Yeah, BAT token, right? BAT. To be honest, I don't have any. But I'm gonna look more into it because I think it's great to diversify in crypto and try to get at least one of each narrative, right? And I think BAT token is it's a great coin in that niche, right? Like, what coin is in the same niche as BAT token and is like at the same level with BAT token, right? You really don't know. I really don't know any coin. There probably is one, but BAT token is obviously bigger and has much more market cap, right? And just because a coin has, is a big market cap coin, like in the top 100, top 50, it's not a bad thing, right? Like, don't invest, don't be like looking at a coin and say, okay, look at that Polkadot's high market cap, I'm not gonna invest in that, I'd rather invest in a low cap coin. Well, you gotta understand there's a reason why it's a high cap coin, right? There's a reason why it's up there. So it doesn't mean that it's bad to invest in it because you're not gonna get the same gains, because a lot of these low cap coins, sure, you can get big gains, but they're a lot riskier, right? So it's not guaranteed that they're going to even survive, right? So Summer Breeze says, I do have some. That's awesome. Multigay says, I do. Yes, we found the bottom. Okay, so yeah, technically, yeah, we are according to you, we are in the beginning of a bull market, right? Really, like the early stages, if you think that we did bottom. But what I meant was that I think we're gonna reach all-time highs in 2024. Like, I would be surprised if we do reach all-time highs this year. But you never know, right? Mia says, please, what do you need to start trading? Mia, great question. What you need to start trading is, to be honest, it is really patience in a long-term mindset, and just, you don't need courses, you don't need strategies, you just need a clean naked chart. Okay, just a clean naked chart. Pause. But you just need a clean naked chart, 4 months, right? 3 to 4 or 5 months, and just patience, and just trying to make logic of everything, right? And I guarantee you, nobody will tell you this, because a lot of people are either trying to get you to buy their courses, or trying to get you into like some type of strategy or some type of indicator and stuff like that. But that's really all you need. In terms of money, you can start with $100, right? You can start with $100, add $50 every month, right? And just, like I said, this is the thing that you need. The reason why I say patience is because people that get into trading, this is what you guys got to understand, guys. Like, people that get into trading, like, trading is the only career where anybody can get into trading, okay? And you don't need a degree. You don't need a degree to get into trading. You just need a couple money and you can start trading right away, right? And instead of just, what happens is a lot of people get into trading, and since it's so easy to get into it, they don't take it seriously. And they just get into it fast. They see all these courses, they get overwhelmed with all these indicators, these strategies, and then they usually fail very fast. But the way to approach it is the same way that a student, like a doctor student, approaches the medicine degree, right? How does a doctor, a medicine student, approach their degree to become a doctor? They take it very, very slow. Literally, you gotta go through 8 years of schooling, right, to become a doctor. or engineering, right? You got to go to a lot of schooling, years of schooling to become an engineer. So you got to be very patient. You got to take it in the long road. And you got to think about it as like your losses when you're trading, when you start trading, your losses, that is the cost of your tuition. The same way that it costs like thousands of dollars to become to enter med school, or to go into engineering, right? That money, those losses, your beginning years as a trader, that's your cost of tuition, right? But you want to approach it very patiently, the same way that you medicine students approach to become a doctor. That's the mindset that you want to have. So what's up, Iceman? How you been, bro? I haven't seen you in a while. Thanks for coming to the live stream on TikTok, man. You usually come on YouTube. I think this is like one of your couple times that you come on TikTok. Mental says, I feel like I shouldn't have gotten dot, but oh well. Why do you think that? Why do you think you should haven't gotten a polka dot? Luxury Studio says, hi, Bitcoin is at 24.5. Is it going up more or down? Yeah, so look, if we break this top of this bear flag, which is around 25, so if you break 25.50 or 25.150, I think we can possibly go to 26.800. To be honest, we can definitely have another short squeeze to 26.800. But that's if we break this price target right here of 25.150. Okay, and we gotta hold it, right? We can't just break it. We gotta hold it. Maybe even come back and retest it. And then I can definitely see us going up to 26.800. Yeah, exactly what Bounty Gate says, right? We gotta break that 25k, 25.3, right? Doctor says, Sniff says, I have one Bitcoin and I took it out of Celsius like a week before it went insolvent. Man, that is, I remember you said that, and I'm so happy you did, man. I'm really happy for you that you did that, because I'm telling you, it's the worst feeling to, I can't imagine the people that invested, that have like millions of dollars in Celsius, or the people that put their life earnings. Like, I didn't put like all my money in it, but I had a decent amount of money in it. But I'm happy that you took it out, Sniff. I really am. I have 5 ETH, but it's locked up in Kraken staking. Okay, so you have your Ethereum is locked up in Kraken, and it's gonna be available this March, right? You're gonna be able to withdraw your ETH this March with the Shanghai update, right? Looking at peaks, and not much difference to where it's at, really. What do you mean, mental? What do you mean? What's up, user 8380? How you been, bro? I like your profile. What car is that? Let me know what car that is. Looks pretty cool. CryptoBin says, there are some things I realize you need to experience, like how to trade in a rally or when Bitcoin is sideways, trade all. Yeah, exactly, right? Like, you gotta, that's a great point by Crypto Billionaire, and that's why I say be patient, because you gotta be able to experience every type of scenario, right? Every type of, like you said, trading in a rally, trading when Bitcoin is sideways, right? Like, not every season is gonna be the same style of trading, so you gotta be very adaptive. You gotta be very, you gotta be very adaptive as well, right? You can't just stick with one strategy that you created yourself. You gotta be able to adapt to the market. So great point by Crypto Billionaire. Sniff says, you'll get it back, Lewis. I lost all my Luna, so I know how it feels. Yeah, Sniff, I hope I do. I actually got today recently, Celsius had a huge court case meeting. So I'm gonna see what came out of it. I follow this YouTuber, his name is Aaron Bennett, and he keeps us up to date. Well, one big thing that came out from the Celsius thing is that they're looking for clawbacks for Mashinsky and other people, which is great news, because if this goes through, right, the clawbacks, basically the money that Mashinsky and all these people that were in Celsius, right, these top people took out and bought other things, right, that's gonna be great. That's gonna be a great thing for people, for the creditors. So I'm hoping that everything goes well. And I mean, I have faith. I have faith that I'll get it back. And I just been praying, and thank you for the support, man. Summer Reed says, keep us up to date on Celsius, please. Yes, I will. I'll keep you guys up to date on Celsius because I am a part of it as well. So I'm very updated with everything. So I'll keep you guys updated on the Celsius thing as well. You'll get it back, bro. Thank you, Michael Hull. Thank you so much, bro. I do pray I do. One thing, like, you know, I wish that Celsius at least let you be able to trade it on the Celsius app, because if Celsius made it so like you can still trade it within the Celsius app, like you can still buy, you know, Bitcoin and this and that, but you just can't withdraw it yet, right? Until everything goes through. If they allowed that, guys, like I would have been able to, like I can't even, like I would have basically had 1 Bitcoin, right? And just, you know, just because this thing happened, right, the opportunity might not happen to which I can get 1 Bitcoin, right? Because if Bitcoin continues to pump up to 30K or more, right? But we'll see. You know, hoping Bitcoin does come down eventually. Hey, what's up, Nader? Nader N12, what's up, bro? Bro, I have a question. Yeah, let me know your question. What's your question? Bounty Gay says, IMO, if it breaks up and out past 25K. Bitcoin testing at 350 MA on the daily chart. Yeah. And we can see right here, right, we're finally over the top Keltner band again here, right? When we look at my indicator, we're above the top Keltner band, which is great. So if we do pull back, right, and we find support at 24,170, around 24,170, 24,190, that's going to be very bullish. That's going to be very bullish if we find support around 24,190 when we do pull back. We'll probably get another pump, right? I'm in the long right now, but kind of scared, man. Yeah, let me know about your long, Naderin. What's your long details for your long? Another thing too is none of what I say is financial advice, so please take it as a grain of salt, right? Everything is just my opinion and what I would do in my scenario. Mom II says, when do I sell Bitcoin ? So Mom, so basically I think, you know, I'm invested in a good amount of cryptos right now, altcoins. I actually don't have any Bitcoin. I have a little bit of Bitcoin, but it's in Celsius. But I'm actually, look, to be honest, guys, like I'm looking to take big profits when Bitcoin reaches around 30 to 35K. When Bitcoin's in that range, I'm looking to take some big profits. I'm gonna be honest with you guys. Aquafish, what's up, bro? Thanks for coming to the live stream, bro. Where you been? We got 69, look at that, 69 viewers. 69 viewers over at TikTok, 17 viewers on YouTube. We're doing amazing today. I'm pretty sure a big reason for this is also, you know, the market rallying, right? But hey, I appreciate all of you guys on here supporting the live stream. Tomorrow, like I said, if you guys are new just coming in, tomorrow we're doing a giveaway. Tomorrow is my off day, which means I'll be able to live stream during the day, during the market. And I'm gonna be doing an XRP giveaway here in the live stream. So tune in tomorrow for the giveaway. I'm gonna be looking to do more giveaways. Instead of doing one huge big giveaway, I'm gonna do more giveaways throughout the live streams. I want to give back because recently I got more Patreons, which I'm super grateful for. If you're one of them watching, thank you so much. And I'm gonna do more giveaways just to give back. Naderin says we have a big retest REST at 25,830. I'm long on all crypto I hold right now with 85% confidence. Yeah, me too. I'm long on all my coins. So I actually bought when Bitcoin dipped here, right? When we had this dip here recently, I actually, you know, put money in a lot of coins, and I'm happy I did, right? Instead of selling. Are you doing giveaway at 10K as well? Yeah, I'm gonna do a giveaway at 10K followers here on TikTok. So once I reach 10K followers, I'm gonna do a big giveaway as well. But that giveaway, you guys gonna be able to vote on which crypto you want to receive the giveaway in. Okay. But tomorrow's giveaway, I'm gonna be doing it in XRP. And yeah. Sniff says, bro, back when Mashinsky was saying that Celsius was fine despite the rumors it was about to tank, I clipped an interview of him with 2 of his underworkers. He was forcing himself to cry and it was fake. They were looking at each other like, wow, he really sounds fake. Yeah, man, and I remember watching those. I remember the AMAs. Yeah, the AMAs that I would watch them here and there. And man, right, the way that Mashinsky talked and everything, it was just so fraud. It was just like a fraud, right? He was a fraud. He was lying the entire time. And it was just sad what happened to Celsius. It really was. So that's something to learn for the future. If you see people of a company, saying all these things, all these good things, all these, with that rhetoric, right? That's a big red flag, right? Doing good, getting over a head cold. Hey, Aquafish, I hope you recover from your head cold. And heal and feel a lot better, bro. Naderin says, are we pumping ? I think if we break that 25, if we break 25.50 and we hold this uptrend right here, right? And we make this resistance. So basically, look, once we make resistance, once we make what was once resistance, right? Like multiple times, 4 times, actually 5 times today. Once we make resistance a support, then we'll pump even more. Okay, but first we got to break this resistance here on this uptrend, right? In my opinion. Market movers, Rusty says, yeah, big market movers right now moving the markets. I still think Bitcoin is going to capitulate this year, right? But that's just me. That's just my opinion. New World Order states, what do you mean, Pater? Wow, 91 viewers. Thank you guys so much. Our stream is blowing up right now. And that's from you guys liking the stream. I told you guys. We were like at 200 likes, and I said, please like the live streams. It definitely helps out the algorithm. And now we're over 90 viewers. So thank you guys so much for the support. You guys have been killing it. Jason says, RNDR and Ali are the gems of 2020. Yes, Jason, if you're new to my live stream, I've been talking about RNDR render token when it was around 40 cents. And for proof, like if you go back to my crypto hangouts, which are all my live streams since episode 1. This is episode 25, by the way, crypto hangout episode 25. They're all in my link tree on the unlisted playlist. I've been talking about render token RNDR when it was around 40 cents. And the main thing that got me interested in RNDR is their utility. I actually have a TikTok coming out maybe tomorrow on render token. But render token is a decentralized GPU rendering system in which like it basically takes GPU rendering power from all over the world, right? And it makes it easier for people that are game developers, movie developers, people that make videos, all these things, to be able to render their video, their game, all these things using render token, using render in a decentralized way. And when I saw that idea, when I was like, wow, that is an amazing utility, using decentralization, right? It really is. If they actually continue to innovate and continue to make this legit, render token can explode even more, right? But the key thing here is, will they continue to innovate, develop, and make this, actually work? So excited for the giveaway. Me too, Summer Breeze. I'm excited too for the giveaway tomorrow, XRP giveaway here. So definitely follow, put the notification bell so you guys know when I live stream, as well as on YouTube. Bounty Gate says this is either the biggest bull trap ever or reversal to a bull market. Yeah, if we do come back down this year, we make lower lows, right? This is gonna be a huge bull trap. Look, I want to go back here in time, right? Back in February of last year and show you this bull trap right here to 48K. Remember this, right? This was a huge bull trap, right? And I don't think we had a big one like this one before, where we were coming down here and we were starting to form bullish, you know, a bullish structure here, and we had this bull trap here to 48K before we started coming back down, right? But this one is different. You know, I would say that this one is a tad bit different, because this one we're actually making, you can see right here, we're making a huge movement here, right? A totally different structure here, a bullish structure here. So it is a little bit different. Thank you guys so much for following me. Appreciate all you guys here that are new. What's up, Jerry? You only trade crypto? Yeah, I mostly look at crypto, but sometimes if you want me to look at a stock, I'll take a look at stocks as well. I got into stocks before I got into crypto. I was actually big into options trading, which I'm looking to get back into in the future. I really do. Like, if crypto didn't exist, I would be like big into options trading. And not just like, there's so many types of options trading. Like, it's not just like the regular type of options trading. Like, I love doing the wheel strategy, which is like a very conservative options trading strategy. You know, there's other strategies too, but yeah. Jerry says CPI numbers are not accurate. Yeah, I mean 100%. I think they manipulate it to look, you know, as low as possible, right? But we know it's not accurate. Yeah, it doesn't look the same, right? It doesn't look the same as the 48K bull trap. This one pattern worries me a lot. And guys, look, I'm about to tell you, I made a TikTok on this. I'm gonna give you guys here a different perspective of what can happen. Please listen up on what can happen, because I have not seen anyone talk about this scenario, guys. Okay, I'm gonna tell you this scenario right now. Okay, I'm gonna tell you exactly what can happen here. So please, please be open-minded enough to have this on the, on a possibility for Bitcoin, because this can definitely happen this year, and it actually aligns with my theory on Bitcoin capitulating this year due to a black swan event. Okay, and I'm gonna show you right here what I mean by this scenario. I'm gonna give you the scenario right now, and I want to know what you guys think about it. But I feel like this can definitely play out if we have a black swan event, and I'll show you guys here exactly what it is. Okay, thoughts on Polygon? I like Polygon. It's one of the coins that I've been buying more and more. But I'm gonna tell you this scenario, so please listen up. Okay, Lewis, are you into guns by any chance? Yes, but I don't own any. I do plan on owning some in the future, but I am definitely pro guns. Yazin says, I think the pump has to do with the stablecoin issue. Maybe, right? I honestly just think that it's, big market movers. To be honest, when I look at the chart, a big reason for this pump is exactly what I said yesterday in yesterday's live stream. I said this. I said, look, we're making this a support, and we bounced off of it, right? This is huge. And I said this yesterday, that this was pretty bullish, and we bounced off of it, and it was a big pump. And guys, sorry if I'm not able to read all the comments. I'm trying to keep up with all the comments. But I appreciate all of you guys on here. We got 69 viewers. 69 viewers. Pause. But thank you guys so much for the likes. We got 3,000 likes. How's it going, bro? What's up, Live Prodigy? How you been, bro? Can you check out? Yeah, I'll check out H-Bar. I like H-Bar too. Crypto Iron Man. What's up, Crypto Iron Man? How you been, bro? Beef, Bitcoin, or Ethereum? I like both. I like both. If I was more riskier, I would definitely pick Ethereum. Vela. What do you mean, Vela? So, all right, guys. So I'm gonna tell you here the scenario. Okay, so please listen up. I'm gonna show you this chart right here, right? and I made a TikTok on this, but I'm gonna go into detail here, right? When you look at this chart, right, you can see right here. So this is the scenario. So please listen up. Right here, 2019, right? We're having a very similar pattern to 2019, early 2020. Okay? And what I mean by this is that right here, right? 2018, we have the bull market top. Then we come down into the bear market, right? Then 2019, we start to see big movements just like we are right now, right? We're making higher highs. We're creating this aggressive bullish structure similar to 2019. Okay? Similar to what we're doing right now. And you can even see right here on the RSI, right? On the RSI downtrend, we start to make it a support in 2019. The similar thing that happened this year. We're starting to make that. We broke that RSI downtrend and we're making it a support. Okay? Now hear me out. Right? 2019, we start to make this a bullish structure, but then we start to downtrend. Right? We start to downtrend in 2020, sometime in 2020, until we have that huge black swan event, and that is when Bitcoin capitulates hard, right, in 2020. Now, and this aligns with my theory and us having a black swan event this year and capitulating hard, similar to 2020. Because if we do continue to, follow this 2019, early 2020 scenario, we can definitely have, a capitulation, right? And the thing is, the good thing is that when we had this capitulation, we didn't make lower lows from the bear market back in 2019, early 2019, right? We actually capitulated down to $3,000. So this can definitely follow. We can definitely slowly go up to 40K, and then something big happens where we have a capitulation down to, I don't know, like, 18K, right? Or even lower, right? We don't know, but I'm just saying, please be open-minded to this scenario. I'm going to be looking closely to see if we follow this 2019-2020 situation here, and that leads to a capitulation for Bitcoin, right? Because this is something that can very, very possibly will happen, especially with the world today and how vulnerable the whole world is. We're just so vulnerable this time in our lives, right? So I would not count out another huge black swan event, especially when we can see big Binance go down, we can see Tether go down. I mean, that would definitely bring in lower lows. If you see Binance go down or Tether, guaranteed lower lows, 100%. Sanhu, what's up, Sanhu? How you been, bro? Haven't seen you in a while. Bitcoin, Ethereum, all prices going up. What do you think? Yeah, so I was just talking about it. I think it's great. I think that, for us to go even higher here to 26,800, I want to see, us break that 25,150 and hold that 25,150 and possibly break 25.3, which is a previous lower high. If we do that, we can definitely have another short squeeze up. Because look, you can see right here from history, right? There's a gap right here, right? This is a huge gap here to 27,800K, right? There's a huge gap here from 25K to 27K, right? So we can definitely see more short squeezes to come if we continue to form support here. So we're keeping a close eye on it, open eye on it. Javier, what's up, Javier? Hey Lewis, where do you think I can find information for beginners into crypto trading? Great question. So what type of information, like, you want to know, advice, tips, and all that to begin trading as a beginner? One thing I will say though is, I think YouTube is great for information, but do not look at people that are trying to promote a course, right? Because a lot of those people that are beginner traders and try to promote a beginner trader course, a lot of those people have their own strategies, they have their own logic, and style of trading, what I would say is just start with your own self for the first few months. Just look at charts naked, try to make sense of it your own self, and that's how you build a good foundation. Okay. Sniff says, my next gun is going to be a carry size Staccato CS 2011. It's $4,000 gun. If you go on a bull run, I'm buying it. Wow, that's great. I've never seen that gun before. I'll definitely look it up, but you know, for $4,000, it's definitely got to be a good gun, right? But yeah, I think you know, guns are very important, right? I do support it. You're pricing in a Black Swan. Yeah, why not? Right? Like I am pricing in the Black Swan event, right? Like don't get me wrong, I'm not like I hold a really good amount of crypto right now, right? Like I'm not 100% in the market and I'm not 100% out of the markets. I'm really comfortable right now. If we pump up, I'm really comfortable in making big gains with what I hold right now, which I'm very, very happy for, because I've been buying ever since Bitcoin was below 20K. But I am pricing in a Black Swan event because I think it will happen this year, similar to 2020 with the Black Swan event in 2020, right? And we seen Bitcoin capitulate down to 3K. So I think that can happen. I think that can happen again. And listen, we might, by capitulating, like we might not even capitulate to like lower lows. We might go to 40K, 45K, and then have a Black Swan capitulate down to 18K, 17K, right, in the near future. So it doesn't mean we're gonna make lower lows either, right? Thank you for sharing that information. Anytime, Javier. I mean, look, if you want to join my community, I have a free Telegram. My Patreon is $5 a month, which is connected to my Discord. So what I did was, like, my Telegram is free. It has over 500 members. I'm active on it, so you can join my Telegram for free. And I wanted to have like a more secluded group as well, and that's why I created my Discord. But it's only $5 a month on Patreon. Security Guard Dog says, yes, BR, you think pullback coming? Yeah, definitely. I definitely think. I mean, you know, it could definitely take a while for a big pullback, but I definitely think for sure, you know, pullback 40K. Then I would say that's a stretch, but it is possible if we have a big Black Swan event and we capitulate. You know, we can definitely see 40K and then 12K, right? And for those people that think that we're not gonna capitulate, or that Bitcoin won't capitulate like that, like, you know, you gotta understand that just because, I would say it even makes it a lot more sense now that we have a lot of big institutional players, right? Because they can make it capitulate even stronger, right? TNT, I like Quant. I think Quant is amazing. Has very low supply. The key thing, the main question with Quant is, will it actually be utilitarian, right? Will it have a utility and continue to innovate, right? Will it actually be functional in our real life, in the real world? And if that is yes, if you think that will happen, then I think Quant can definitely see 4 figures, even more, because you're gonna see a lot of money flowing into utility, especially with that low supply for Quant. You can definitely see Quant over 4 figures, even more. Crypto Blend says, I put 2 coins in the trader chat that looked like good trades. Yeah, thank you so much, Crypto Billionaire. So Crypto Billionaire over on Discord putting certain coins that look like great trades here on the trader chat. Thank you so much, Crypto Billionaire. So we can see right here. Let's take a look at it. So Crypto Billionaire, looking here. What's this first coin here? What coin is this? SUT. Suitor. And this one as well. Win goal. So Suitor and Wingo, I gotta find those coins. I gotta find their tags. But thank you for the setups. Thank you for the setups, bro. If you want to check those out, it's in the Discord on Trader Chat. Thank you, Crypto Billionaire. Thoughts on Render? So yeah, Render. Look, I was talking about Render token when it was 40 cents in my live stream. Render token. My thoughts on Render token, and I'm gonna have a TikTok already made. It's coming out tomorrow. Render token, their utility is an amazing idea. If it actually plays out, Render token can explode. It can 100x, 1000x, because if they actually function in our real world, right, with GPU, decentralized GPU renderings like system, that is an amazing idea. The fact that people can create movies, right? They can create video games, they can create videos, and be able to use a decentralized GPU power. That is big. That is innovation when I look at that. So Render token is a big opportunity. The question is, will they continue to innovate? Will they continue to develop? Will they actually be implemented in our real world? Then you can see big gains. Okay. And we already have been seeing big gains. We were literally a couple weeks ago 40 cents Render token. Right now it's $2, right? You think we're in a bear trap? I think we're in a big bull trap, to be honest. Exactly what Kyle Killer says. Yeah, Kyle Killer. And even though I think that, like, I still hold a lot of crypto. So my average on Render is 43. Wow, that is amazing. That's a great average for Render token, especially at where it is right now, right at $2. 43 cents is a great average, and man, I'm happy. That feeling that you basically invest in the coin before it 4x's, 5x's. I got that feeling with Render token, and it's the best feeling ever, because you actually research a coin. Okay, you research it. You see that it's a good utility. You invest in it, and then it just 4x's. That is the best feeling ever. And that's what I've been telling you guys to do this entire bear market. Research. Don't just research, but take action, right? Invest, right? Don't be afraid. People are afraid to put $300 in a coin, $100, $1K, right? Obviously, invest what you can afford to lose. Invest what you're comfortable with. That's what I've been doing with the, what if, and it's different for everybody, because everybody makes different incomes. Everyone has different amount of money, savings, all that. So, yeah. Robinhood is not going to be bankrupt. I am buying Bitcoin and stocks on there. What are your suggestions? Yeah, so I think I would still be careful holding my crypto on Robinhood. And it's great that Robinhood has crypto wallets, so it lets you withdraw your crypto to a crypto wallet, right? And you guys can see right there, Keystone. Shout out to Keystone Wallet. You can get 30% off their wallet using the code Sir Lewis. But I would part of risk management is having your money in different locations, right? So instead of having it all on Robinhood, maybe have your crypto on a ledger, right, on a Keystone, right, and then have your stocks on Robinhood, right? So that's what I would do. But there are a good amount of good coins on Robinhood. Robinhood obviously has the top coins, so it doesn't have the mid caps and all those. It has Cardano, right? Cardano, Solana. I'm keeping my eye on Render. If I see a dip, might get some. Yeah, definitely look into Render token. If you do get a big dip, then I would say 1.50 is a good place to get in. 1.20, right? But Render token, and Render token's all-time high, if we look at it, it was around $8, right, back in the top of the bull market. We can see right here. I'm gonna check out here my watch list. right? Render token. It's around $2.10 right now, but back here we can see the all-time high for render token was back in 2021 November. It was around $8 basically. Well, not, if we actually check right here, it actually shows it. Where's the stats at? Right over here. Show more. All time, yeah, $8.76. So that's the all time high for render token. Render. 40K Bitcoin incoming by July, then dump. Where do you think we'll dump to in July, in your opinion, security guard? What's up, Crypto Matrix? But everyone's saying we're gonna drop, it's gonna go up, and it's gonna go back down again. Well, we all know this, so be thankful for the little bull run. We know it's going back down, so enjoy the situation and make use of it, because when it goes down, we're going to know. Put 200K put. Yeah, be careful trading. Hey, what's up, Stars? How you been, bro? Thanks for coming to the live stream. Thanks for coming to the Crypto Hangout episode 25. If you guys are new, definitely follow. I live stream every day, and definitely follow. Put the notification bell, because tomorrow we're gonna do an XRP giveaway live in the stream. I'm gonna do a giveaway for XRP tomorrow. And the time that I'm gonna live stream is gonna be during the day. So put the notification bell so you guys know when I live stream, whether it's here on TikTok or YouTube. Okay. And I'll be doing an XRP giveaway tomorrow, which anyone can participate. What's up, Davian? Solana TA? Yeah, let's take a look at Solana, right? Because last time I checked it, I remember last time I checked Solana, we were rejecting this this huge range, and so far we're still not in that range, right? I was expecting with this big pump. And here's the thing, look, altcoins lags, right? Altcoins lag behind Bitcoin, so possibly if Bitcoin continues to stay strong in the next coming days, we can see Solana coming back into this range here that it's been in, you know, since the beginning of this bull market. So I am bullish right now on Solana, right? I think it will eventually come into this range, which is between 26.71 and $45. And you can also see right here the momentum is up, right? The momentum, money flow, RSI, everything is showing the momentum going up. So I can see Solana coming over back into this range here, over $26 in the next coming days. So for sure, especially if Bitcoin continues to pump, which it is recently today, right? But yeah, guys, big I'm gonna do a giveaway tomorrow. But let's check here. Raymond says, bro, check Vote Inu, please. Bro, check Vote Inu, please. Yeah, I'll check out Vote Inu anytime, Davian. I actually do hold Vote Inu. I hold a little bit of Vote Inu, and I'm happy that it recently pumped. Let me actually check here. Vote Inu. Is this it? Yeah. Yeah, this is it. Okay. Let me actually save it here. So Vote Inu. Vote Inu is actually coming here to the levels that it was back here in November 2022, right? So, you know, I can see something like a double top here for Vote Inu, right? We can see a double top here for Vote Inu. So be careful buying Vote Inu or longing it right now, because we can definitely see a double top to the downside. But if we do break this, you know, previous high of how much zeros is that? Like 502, and we make that a support, that's bullish, right? And we could definitely see like a cup and handle, where we have like the cup, and then we start to see a handle forming possibly to 5017, and then we could see a big pump after that, right? So we might see a cup and handle for Vote Inu. At the moment, I would be kind of just watching it, right? I wouldn't be buying, going crazy in it right now. I'll be a little bit more patient. But let's go here to the next segment of the Crypto Hangout. You guys love this segment, which is the biggest gainers and losers of the day. So this is a segment that I do here on Crypto Hangout, which we talk about the biggest gainers and losers of the day regarding the market cap. So we're gonna look at, you know, the legit biggest winners and gainers, right? Like, I don't care how low cap these coins are, I want to show you guys the actual biggest gainers and losers of the day, and here they are. So biggest gainer of the day, 123% AHT. Never heard of this coin. AHA token, AHT, up 123%. Okay. One here that we do know, Floki, which I do have, Floki is up 72% today, guys. Wow. Floki is up 72% today. Wow. I wish I would have got a little bit more, but I'm happy I at least have some. But Floki is up 72%. We have a couple other ones here. Boot up 71%. PSI. A lot of these are obviously very low cap. Blur, right? Blur with the big airdrop, right? A lot of people got Blur with the airdrop, big airdrop, up 42%. The Zigzag. I don't see any coins here that I do know. Storm X, never heard of them. Dusk Network up 25%. Dogechain, DC up 25%. And Ali, ALI, this is an AI coin, right? Ali up 23%, right? So a lot of coins up big today. Now let's look at the biggest losers. Not a lot of big losers here. The biggest loser is actually down 15%, right? Which is some random coin I never heard of. SRLTY, Sainta Realty. So I guess it's like a real estate coin. Let me see if I know any coins here that are down big. Shikoku, I know that coin. It's a big meme coin. Arsenal fan token. It's kind of funny because Arsenal fan token is down today 4.5%. Arsenal actually lost today, if you guys are into the Premier League. But look, Shina Inu down 3%. I know that coin. And what other coin here do I know? Flex coin down 2%. So not a lot of big losers today, but obviously a lot of big gainers, right? Stars says, I came a little bit late, but still glad to have made it to the stream. Hey Stars, I appreciate you coming here, bro. Thank you for coming to the live stream. How have you been? How have you been lately? Don't even know how you been, bro. GRT, yeah, you want me to check out GRT, the graph? We'll check out the graph here, because just a couple weeks ago, right, the graph was literally 4 cents, and it literally, right, 4x'd just from the last couple weeks, coming up to 22 cents, right, 23 cents, or 22, almost 23. But the graph up from 4 cents, right, 4 or 5 cents, yeah, I think it was like 5 cents, just a couple weeks ago, right? But yeah, let's take a look here at the graph, because we can see this huge big recovery here, right? Can you check out UTK? Yeah, I'll check out UTK. You ever heard of Treasure Hunter token when BNB solving online puzzles? Really? That sounds pretty cool. I never heard of it, but you get BNB by solving online puzzles. That's pretty cool. Everything was a discount a month ago. But yeah, look, the graph. I would be careful right now, right? Because the graph right here, we're in a psychological range here. A psychological point of control. Where you can see that this is a... I feel like the graph most likely will stay flat in this range here for the next coming days. Just because we really, you know, we didn't make any support in this range, right? So we might stay flat here and then push up here. Okay, but I would be careful right here because this we came to the top of the range today, which was 21 cents. Not today, a couple days ago. So the bullish scenario is us coming back here to 21 cents and making that top of the range a support around 21 cents. And then if we do make that support, we can definitely have a short squeeze to basically right here around 32 cents. right? So at some point we're gonna have a short squeeze from this range to this range for the graph, from 21 cents to 32 cents. Okay, in my opinion. The question is when, right? Because we can definitely stay in this range, go back to the lows of the range, which is around 13 cents, right? But at some point we're gonna have a short squeeze here for the graph to 32 cents at some point in the future. Most likely, you know, Bitcoin and other altcoins will help as well. We can see when, you know, Bitcoin starts to have another pump, right? And usually altcoins lag a little bit behind. Bitcoin makes the first move and altcoins come after, right? Star says, I have been pretty good recently. Thank you for asking. I'm in the middle of redoing my room from top to bottom. Just finished plastering and sanding earlier today, so we'll start priming and painting. Wow, that's great. And that's great that you're redoing your room. I think it's great if you guys like are if you guys are just, you know, unmotivated or in a bad place. And, you know, one thing that I would always say is look at your room. Is it messy? Is there just a bunch of crap all over the place? Is it just not organized? And I would say the best thing is to just clean your room, right? Organize, redo it, and just make it good, like a good environment that is clear. Because if your place is not clear, your mind is not going to be clear, right? But if you clean up your place, if you redo it, you know, just like Stars is, you know, redoing his place, you know, painting and all that, it will definitely put you in a different mindset. It will clear your mind. I guarantee you guys this. How about yourself, man? I hope you have been blessed. I've been pretty good. I've been pretty good too. Thank you for asking, man. I've been kind of down with the Celsius thing, but I'm hoping that there's good news that comes from the Celsius thing, and I'm hoping that I do get my money back, or at least a portion, so I could be able to invest. Because really, it really just took away my opportunity to have at least one Bitcoin, because it just, like, I would have had the money. I literally would have had the money to have one Bitcoin, and since it was in Celsius, I just didn't have that, right? So it does kind of suck, but, you know, I'm praying everything goes well. What should I rather invest in, Doge or the graph? You know, I would say both. I would say both, user 37. I mean, I've been doing both. So, you know, my bigger holding is Dogecoin, mainly because I have 2 Dogecoin mini miners, right? But I would say both, not financial advice. Yeah, man, I agree. A clean environment is a clear mind. Yeah, and, you know, it's not just, you know, it definitely helps a lot to, you know, reorganize it. Even if you do have a clean environment, right, and you're just been in a slump, you know, it definitely helps a lot to redo your place and just make everything better for you, more efficient, right? Get rid of stuff that you're not using, because it definitely gives you a clear mindset, right? You taking profit, question mark. Kev, so I'm pretty good in, you know, in crypto right now. I'm looking to take profit when we're around 30 to 35k range Bitcoin. That's when we reach 30 to 35k range, I'm probably gonna take big profits. Recently, right now, I haven't been taking any profits, to be honest, and I'm up pretty good because I've been accumulating since we came down under 21k last couple months. So I'm not gonna say I'm 100% in with everything that I have, which is, again, be careful. It's very risky, okay? But I'm not 100% out, okay? Dogecoin prediction. I mean, I don't have a specific number for Dogecoin prediction, but I think Dogecoin will continue to do well, you know, as Elon promotes it. And I don't think Elon is ever going to, like, abandon Dogecoin just because it's so big of his, it's a big part of his brand, right? He loves being known as the Dogecoin father, the Doge father, whatever. And I think I don't think Elon is gonna just abandon Dogecoin. I think he's gonna keep promoting it. And now, especially that he has Twitter, you know, let's say Elon makes it like, you know, to have the Twitter subscription, you can get 20% off if you pay in Dogecoin. If something like that comes out, like Dogecoin will probably explode, right? And my thing regarding meme coins like Dogecoin, Shiba, is that just because it doesn't have utility today doesn't mean it won't in the future, right? So don't judge it just because it's a meme coin or just because it has zero utility today, right? Because you don't know what's going on behind the scenes for it to have utility in the future, right? That's my opinion on it. Nikki Boo, what's up, Nikki? How you been, bro? I haven't seen you in a while. A lot of guys came today to the live stream that I haven't seen in a while, and I appreciate all of you guys coming back. Hey Lewis, great day. Did you make that long or were you working? I didn't trade today. I was working today, but I'm not working tomorrow, and tomorrow I'm doing a giveaway here live in the stream, so definitely be on the lookout tomorrow when I live stream during the day. I'm gonna do a giveaway, but today I wasn't able to do it long. Star says, I love to hear so, and damn, man, yeah, fingers crossed you can get it back. That is very unfortunate. Yeah, and here's the thing, Stars, like if Celsius at least made it so like you can trade, right? Which like obviously they, you know, it wouldn't make sense for them to do that. But if they made it so you can trade your crypto on the Celsius app, I literally would have been able to buy the dip, and I would have been able to buy at least one Bitcoin, and I would have been up so much right now, right? But really, Celsius really took away that opportunity, and but I'm hopeful I do have that opportunity. I'm hoping that Bitcoin doesn't push too much up to 30k or even more, right? That I'll still have the opportunity to have at least one Bitcoin. Wow, we got 4,000 likes over on TikTok. Thank you guys so much for 4,000 likes. Thank you for the 16 likes on YouTube as well, guys. Bull Run is not back, Ricky says. Yeah, I don't think so too. That's why I put question marks, right? I put the Crypto Hangout episode 25. The bull market is back, baby. I put some question marks there as well. So I don't think the bull market is back. OMG, most money I have made in crypto so far. I have made in. Oh, most money you've made is in crypto so far. That's great. And again, guys, when we do have big pumps, right? Don't forget to take profits, right? If you guys make life-changing money in crypto, don't forget to take profits, right? Don't be one of those people that make life-changing money, then just still keep it there and just, you know, stay more, you know, you get greedy, you want to get even more money, right? And then it goes back and you're negative, right? If you have life-changing money, definitely take profits, not financial advice. Star says, damn, I couldn't imagine being in that situation. I'd be stressed. Yeah, for the first 3 months, man, I gotta say it was very stressful. I'll probably say, like, when that happened, Stars, that was when I started live streaming. And then, to be honest, like, I never said this before, but live streaming was a great way for me to cope with what was going on in my life during that time, with what happened. Not just Celsius, like, I didn't just lose money with Celsius, but Anchor Protocol and Luna Classic, I lost with that too. And that was exactly when I started live streaming. And when I first started live streaming, I liked it, and it was a way for me to cope with what was going on. You know, it made me happier, even though I was barely getting any views, right? I was just, you know, really happy, and it helped me during that time. Damn, Stargate took off. Is Stargate a coin? Now I am like, should I take the money out or put it in Bitcoin? Yeah, so most of your big gains were in altcoins? Correct. Never be greedy. Take your profits. Yeah, especially if you guys make big profits, definitely look to take profits, right? Don't hold 100% of it. Yeah, Stargate STG. Oh, okay, let me take a look here at Stargate. I've never heard of it before, but yeah, so Stargate Finance. It's up 33% on the day, rank 179, right? And its all-time high was back in around $4. Is that $4? Star says, I love that, man. It surely would help keep your mind off of it. I'm so glad you have made the decisions, as you have built such an amazing community already, and it's still only the beginning, my friend. Hey, Stars, thank you so much for the support, man. And you're right, and you know, every day I'm grateful, even when I'm, you know, sad. When I think about it, I get really sad, sometimes depressed, but you know, I'm very optimistic, and I am very grateful for all of you guys on here, and just, you know, being able to grow my YouTube, my TikTok, which we got 5,000 followers, and I'm just gonna keep doing this. I think I'm gonna get bigger and bigger as we get closer to the bull market. So I'm gonna continue to do this and be hopeful. And you know, I couldn't do it without you guys. You guys really do help my my brand, my live streams. It really helps a lot. Axis just dropped today. What dropped today? Access to what? Let's check out here the crypto market cap, guys. Crypto market cap is back. Oh, wow, look at this. This is huge, guys. This is huge. I'm gonna tell you why this is huge. You guys see this chart? This is the crypto total market cap. Guess what happened today? Guess what happened today, guys? Look at this. This is huge right here for the crypto market cap charts. You want to know what happened today? You see this huge macro downtrend, right? That we touched once, twice, right? 3 times, but we came to it twice after the all-time high of 3 trillion. Guess what happened today? Today we actually broke it. Okay? We broke that huge macro downtrend on the total crypto market cap. This is huge, because look, the last couple of days we've been resisting it. We resisted it right here, a big dump back here into, you know, liquid, you know, the band here, right? The band around 948 billion. But today, after this big pump, we break it. We break it since basically March of last year, right? This is very bullish in my opinion from looking at this. Breaking this huge total market cap downtrend, right? This is pretty big. And I've been talking about this in the last live streams. I said, you know, we still haven't broken this, and maybe when we do break it, that might be the start of a big continuation of, you know, going up to 30K, right? This is pretty big, right? Looks like VGX is in the lead on my list. VGX, that's the Voyager coin, right? What's gonna happen to VGX? Since isn't Binance buying Voyager? What's gonna happen to the VGX coin if they buy Voyager? Quick. So this isn't a coin. Quick. This is just the total crypto market cap for all. You know, this is like the total crypto market cap for all the coins, including Bitcoin. And the reason why I'm showing this chart is because we broke this huge macro downtrend. Look how important this is. Okay, we broke this huge macro downtrend, which we rejected back here in March of last year, and we actually broke it today. This is huge. Okay, this is very, very big, and most likely, I think we'll continue to pump, but eventually we might come back down and retest it as support. And once we come down and we retest it as support, that might be a good time to buy the dip and go back into crypto once we come back and retest it as support sometime in the near future. But this is pretty big. We, you know, breaking this huge macro downtrend, right? Back over 1 trillion total market cap, right? What did you think about Spy today? Yeah, let me take a look at Spy. I'll take a look at Spy for you. Killing it 3am. Thanks for coming to the live stream. If you guys are just joining in, thank you for 4,000 likes on TikTok. Thank you for 52 viewers. And tomorrow I will be doing an XRP giveaway, so definitely follow, put the notification bell, because I'll be doing a giveaway for XRP tomorrow, which anyone can participate in the giveaway. And I'm gonna be live during the day because tomorrow's my off day for my job, so I'll be doing the live stream during the day. And if you guys want to get XRP, definitely join the live stream tomorrow. But yeah, look, this is a Spy right here, right? So you can see right here for Spy, ever since here, right, the beginning of December 2021, we just been making lower highs, right? Lower highs after lower highs, right? But recently, what's different? We're making a higher high. See that? We made lower highs. Now we're making a higher high from right here, right? And we're making a bullish structure, right? Similar to Bitcoin, right? Very similar to Bitcoin. Now, similar to Bitcoin, what I can possibly see for Spy is if we break this uptrend that we're in here, if at some point we break this uptrend, I can see us coming back down and retesting this huge macro downtrend at some time in the future, which could possibly retest it around 388, 390. Okay, I can see a retest of that, and what would be bullish is us actually bouncing off of that to the upside. That would be very bullish. But until we break this uptrend, I think we're still very bullish on the Spy. We need to break this uptrend first, right? So that's my opinion on it. Gotcha. Anytime, quick lock. Nikki Boo says, I learned the hard way, so take profit before resistance. But now, where do I keep it? Question mark. Yeah, I mean, you can just keep it as it is, right? Just save. Or you can invest in something else. So hard to get on and off ledger. Yeah, for sure. But hey, man, it's worth it, right? It's worth having it. And look, if you guys want to get a good cold storage wallet, you guys can get Keystone Wallet. Shout out to Keystone. You guys can get 30% code off of Sir Lewis. Code is Sir Lewis with capital S and L. And this code is valid until the end of February. So if you guys want to look into Keystone Wallet, I made a review for it on YouTube. You guys can check out that video. Can you chart S? What is S? Is that the tag for it? Let me know if that's the tag for the coin or the stock. Hey, Matriox, thank you for the gift, bro. Appreciate the gift. The Moon Carl, what's up? Thanks for coming to the live stream, bro. Yes, stock. Okay, it's a stock. Okay, I'll check it out here for you. Is it this one right here? Sentinel one? Is it this one? Let me know if it's this one. It's $17. Is this the right one? $17, Sentinel one. Let me know if this is the right one. Matriox Motivation sent a mic. Wow. Thank you so much for the mics, bro. I just got 5 mics now. Thank you for the gifts, man. I really appreciate it. Yes, okay, so it is this one. Okay. Yeah, so let's take a look here. I'll give you my first impressions here. My honest impressions here on this coin. Not coin, my bad. Stock. Let's look here at the macro first, right? I wanna look at the macro trend here first. Let's scope this out. Okay, I kind of see here. So I think this is very bullish up until we make contact with this huge macro downtrend, right? So like if you look at the price target, $77, right? $28, right? These are the 2 times we make contact, right, with this trend, this huge downtrend in the macro perspective here since 2021. But on the micro, right, on the micro recently we've been in this really nice uptrend, since bottoming out here around $12. As you can see right here, this is a really nice uptrend here for this stock, right? This is on the micro, right? And you can see that I am bullish on this until we make contact with this very important macro downtrend. And if you don't have this on your chart, please put this on your chart. All you gotta do is connect the all-time right here, $77 or $78, and connect $28. Okay, I guarantee you, okay, not financial advice, but I guarantee you, once we push up, which we will, once we push up, you know, we make contact with this downtrend, we're gonna stop, and that's gonna be a resistance level. Now the question is, if we break it, okay, if we break it, most likely we're gonna come back down and retest it, and then once we bounce off of it, that's gonna be very bullish. Okay, that's gonna be very bullish. Now if we reject it, once we come back down here, right, to the bottom downtrend, which is this one, that's gonna be a place where I would probably look to long or buy. Okay, because I can see us bouncing off of that and then breaking that huge downtrend. Okay, so I'm showing you exactly here what can happen here for the bullish scenario. But I am bullish on this until, and look, the price targets that it would be once it makes contact with this huge downtrend is around, I would say around 18.50, around 18.87, 18.50. Of course, this depends, right? Like if we make contact with it tomorrow, it could be around $19, right? Around $19 that we push up. Or it could take a couple days and we can make contact with it around 18.30, right? But basically, whenever we make contact with this, I would watch for that price action, and we probably would get a big rejection to the bottom of this uptrend, which is this right here, and that's where I'll probably look to buy. Okay, but if we do push up and we break it, like flat out just break it, I will look to get in once we make contact with the retest. Okay, so that's my opinion. Thank you for the fire, bro. Thank you so much for the gifts. Thank you for the fire, for the mics, all the gifts. Wow, we got 100 viewers. Wow, thank you guys so much. And guys, tomorrow's my off day, so I'm gonna be live streaming early in the morning, and I'll be giving you guys, if you guys want to see some good setups for the day, whether it's the stock market, coin, the cryptos, just join the live streams during the morning before the market opens. I'll check out what stocks you guys want me to check out, what coins, all that. And on top of that, I'm gonna be doing a giveaway tomorrow, XRP giveaway during the day. So definitely put the notification bell, follow me. I'm also doing a double live here on YouTube at the same time. We got 32k subscribers on YouTube. Well done, Sir Lewis. Hey, thank you so much, man. The crypto it wasn't a crypto, it was a stock called S, and that's the tag, that's the ticker for it, S. Yo, what's up, Nufo? Thanks for coming to the live stream. How you been, bro? Appreciate you coming out here. Bitcoin is playing with my emotions, bro. Yeah, right. We had a big short squeeze today, right? That can probably continue in the next coming days. Do you think Bitcoin will reach 25? Yeah, I do think. I think it will reach 25k. The question is, will it come here, right? Will it come here above 25.3, right, and hold this, right? If we hold this, and we get a nice retest and bounce off of this, we will probably short squeeze to 26,800. And the reason why is because we can look back here, right? Look at this huge gap here, right? Look at this huge gap from 25k to basically 27, 28k, right? There's a huge gap to fill in from 25.3 to basically 27k or 26,800, right? And even possibly 28k. So, but first we gotta break this previous lower high of 25.3 and make that a support And once we do that, we can definitely see a short squeeze up there to 27, 28K. And I know it's kind of crazy, but we've seen days where Bitcoin just literally went up like 2K, right? Like it would just go up 1K in a matter of hours, right? So don't be surprised if it does short squeeze. Okay. Wow, we got 110 viewers. Thank you guys so much. Don't forget to like. It definitely helps out a lot with the likes, guys. But wow, we got a lot of viewers. Thank you for all the support, guys. Do you think Bitcoin will hit? But yeah, I just answered that. I'm pretty sure we'll go a little bit above the previous high and then back to 22,800, then up. Yeah, I can see that price action, right? When we can come back to 20. And basically that price action is just, all it is, guys, is just you know, making higher highs, right? Making higher highs, and then coming back down and making higher lows, right? That's all the uptrend is, right? We're just making higher highs and higher lows. And if we continue to make this, we're making a really nice bullish structure, right? From what was the opposite, which we were basically making lower highs, right? Lower highs and lower lows, right? As you can see, right? So that's basically what we're doing. We're doing the opposite of that from the bear market. We're making higher highs and higher lows for this initial start of the bull market. If you know, people think it is the beginning of the bull market, right? But me personally, I definitely am gonna take big profits once we come into 30 to 35K range. I'm gonna look to take profits around that price. That's just me personally. Price action is just like it's just what it is. It's like the price action regarding the price of that coin or that stock. And usually, you know, when we talk about price action, we talk about certain things that market movers do, right? To go back into liquidity or you know, into liquidity ranges, right? It's a big part of price action. And if you guys look into trading, I definitely would, you know, look into price action, mastering price action, because you know, if I had to stick with one thing, it would be price action versus any type of indicator. It would be learning price action, and really all it really is just the language of how charts move, right? How smart money moves, right? Higher lies. Yeah, it just, if it's a bull trap, it's higher lies, right? It's making higher lies. Dr. Doc says, yep, it's like taking steps up or down. Yeah, exactly. It's like a ladder, right? It's like a ladder. Hey, anytime, Nuvu, no foe. Crypto Business says, hey man, I learned that these little step backs will be nothing one day. It's better to learn now and when you have a couple million in crypto over a trillion. Yes, great point by Crypto Billionaire. He said that look, it's never you know, it's never too late to start your trading journey, and it's better to start now when you have less money, because you know, once you do have millions or trillions of dollars, right? Once you have millions of dollars and you're still trading, you're gonna know your mistakes from when you had thousands of dollars, right? And you're not gonna make those mistakes when you have millions of dollars. So it definitely pays to make those mistakes now than when you have millions of dollars in the future, right? And making those mistakes later, right? User says liquidity at 25K, money pockets. Yeah, big liquidity, right? Because we can see right here when we zoom out, right? Look, guys, this is the previous high that we need to break, right? And this is the previous lower high that we need to break, 25.3. And until we break that, right, we can possibly have a double top, right? But I think that we are gonna break it. probably gonna come back down, make a lower high, and then continue to come up here to 28k, right? This is the bullish scenario, right? Exactly this, something like this, right? Definitely see something like that. So, but we need to break that 25.3, which we tried to break back in August and obviously failed, right? But the main thing here, and why so many people are bullish and so many people are saying that this is the bull market, is that you guys need to zoom out, right? And you need to compare this half, compare this half right here, right, to this half right here, right? I know that this is not the best drawing, right? When you compare these two halves, you can see that this is a different structure, right? This is a totally different structure than this structure right here, right? It's a different structure than the bear market structure that we had the last couple of months. When you take profits, what color Lambo you're buying? When I take, I don't think I'm gonna have enough to get a Lambo, and I probably wouldn't if I had enough, to be honest. Joseph says crypto is the biggest scam of all time. Why do you think that, Joseph? Why do you think crypto is the biggest scam of all time? User says key resistance. Mark says, I heard the bull market is 2025. Yeah, I mean, there's a lot of people that think the bull market is going to be in 2025. I feel like it's going to be sometime later in 2024. That's my opinion. But I feel like people that are more conservative think it's going to be in 2025. But I feel like it's going to be sometime later in 2024, maybe Q3 or Q4. But yeah, Joseph, why do you think crypto is the biggest scam of all time? Well, what makes you think that? I mean, I do agree with you. There are a lot of cryptos that are scams, right? Like the majority of them are scams, but I feel like over time we'll know which ones are the real ones in the scams. And that's why I love bear markets, because bear markets, a lot of the scam coins or the scam projects end up failing, right? Crypto Knight says, Joseph, you said that's because you're liquidated. No, Joseph says no utility, it's all the same, just a different name. Not really. It's the same, just a different. Yeah, look, I agree with you again, Joseph. I agree with you. It's a lot of coins are the same thing, just a different name, right? I do agree with that, but I think that over time, and I also agree with the fact that no utility, because there are a lot of projects that really don't have utility right now and market itself to have utility, right? And we've seen this with the metaverse. We've seen this with the previous the previous bull market top with the metaverse coins. Seeing all those metaverse coins pump like crazy with literally no product, right? They didn't even have like a beta or anything, and they were pumping like crazy. So I do agree with you on that, but I think that there actually are coins with true utility, and I just think that we're just so early into crypto that it's hard to see that utility start to implement in our real world at the moment. But I think as time goes on and we start to develop more and more, we're gonna see the utility that crypto actually has with our real world. In my opinion, it just takes time and it takes development, right? But let me know your thoughts. Do you guys think crypto is a scam? User says, Joseph can't wait for CBDC to be installed into our world to reject crypto. So are these lower prices, we'll see in a while. Was planning on putting some money in. Yeah, I'm happy I bought the dip a couple days ago. I bought a little bit of a couple coins. The banks are all on blockchain. Joseph says crypto was the flow to CBDC, not the other way not the other way around. What do you mean crypto was the flow to CBDC? Because I kind of feel like crypto is pressuring, the governments and the banks, the central banks, to create a CBDC, to create a digital dollar, in my opinion, right? I feel like crypto is really pressuring them to create a CBDC. User says, you would choose in the future CBDC over crypto. Wake up, people. Crypto is a 4-year cycle historically. So are these lower prices we'll see in a while? I was planning on putting some money in. I think we're gonna go lower, but it could take some time, right? Like we can go to 30K, and we can stay up there for like 2 months or so, and then come back down to 25K to 20K, right? Crypto, I say it's not a scam. You can buy if the market will dip once more and wait till bull run. Damn, hella viewers stay. Yeah, David, and David, thank you so much, man, because you're an OG. You were here when I had like 20 viewers, 15 viewers, and now we got 112 viewers. So thank you guys all for the support, all the day ones, all the OGs. Joseph said Bitcoin was made by the FBI. What makes you think that Bitcoin was made by the FBI? They made it to introduce CBDC. You think so? So you think that Bitcoin was made by basically the government in order to force a digital dollar, in order to basically form a cashless society? Which I heard about that conspiracy before. And I feel like there's something to it. Keep preaching, brother. Here for a reason. Hey, Davian, thank you for the support, man. I appreciate you guys. We got 100 viewers today. You guys are awesome. And guys, if you guys are new, definitely follow. Tomorrow I'm doing an XRP giveaway during the day. So when I live stream tomorrow, you guys already know, XRP giveaway. Anybody can enter to win. And I'm gonna do more giveaways in all my live streams because I recently been getting Patreons, and I just want to be able to give back because I'm really grateful. I think I see a UFO over New York. Really? Crypto Knight says, I have a friend who invested in Ethereum and gained $200 million. Wow. Who else been smashing this run since January? Also, who else is ready for the retrace? Me too. I've been buying the dip ever since Bitcoin started coming down, under 21K, 20K. So Bounty Gate says bull run is happening. Sorry if you haven't DCA'd in. And hey, look, I still think right now is a good time to DCA in, right? Like we're still like, if this is the bull run, like we're still in the early stages, right? We're still in the early stage of this bull run. So I don't think it's a bad time. That's if if your long-term perspective, right? Joseph says something will happen with crypto one day and it will all be gone overnight. Wow. So you think Bitcoin is going to zero? Well, what's your conspiracy? What do you think will happen for crypto to be gone overnight, Joseph? Because I've seen conspiracy about that too. I've seen conspiracy and prophecies about Bitcoin going to zero, right? And you guys seen Pena, what's his name? Dave Pena? I forgot. It's that guy that like just curses all the time, and he said that Dave Pena, I know his last name is Pena. He said that once the creator of Bitcoin comes out, once we know who the creator of Bitcoin is just gonna just go to zero, right? If you guys seen that video. But let me know what makes you think crypto is gonna all be gone overnight. There's too many people for crypto. Yeah, I agree. I don't think crypto will go to zero. I don't think Bitcoin will go to zero in terms of like selling. I can see it go to zero in terms of like a glitch or like a flash crash, like a glitch or something happening where it gets hacked. But I don't think it'll stay at zero. I think it'll just like crash and recover. But in terms of like going to zero from people selling it, I think there's always gonna be buyers regarding on what happens with Bitcoin, right? Whatever bearish, like the worst thing possible that could happen with Bitcoin, right? Satoshi come out of nowhere and sell all his Bitcoin or something like that. I still think there will be buyers of Bitcoin. I actually think it'll be bullish if Satoshi comes out and sells his Bitcoin supply. Because I think over time people will buy that up, or institution will buy that up. You know, people that are bullish on Bitcoin. Just my opinion, but you know, I don't think it'll go to zero from people selling it. But yeah, let us know, Joseph. What makes you think that crypto is gonna be gone? There will be a major flaw, a hack, or not sufficient mining backing, which makes it vulnerable. Oh, okay, I see. So, and that's part of what I think too. I think there's gonna be a hack. I think there's gonna be a glitch or a hack that possibly brings Bitcoin down to like near zero levels, but I don't think it's gonna stay there. I think it will recover. But you said basically there's gonna be some type of hack or not sufficient mining, right? Do you think there's gonna be a huge like global ban on crypto mining, on Bitcoin mining? Do you think like the whole world is gonna like ban, like similar to like China, where they're gonna like basically seize Bitcoin miners? Because I feel like if a country, let's say the United States, bans Bitcoin mining or just bans Bitcoin or whatever, there's gonna be other countries that still mine, right? There's gonna be other coins that still buy Bitcoin, that still, you know, take Bitcoin, is open for crypto in general. It even says it can never go to zero, question mark. No one knows if it will go to zero. Yeah. Satoshi owns most of the Bitcoin. It will never go to zero. And who do you guys think Satoshi is? Do you guys think that he was just some random guy and he died? Or do you think that it's the government? Or do you think that it's someone that's still alive today? Because man, it's gotta be if he's still alive today, right? It's gotta be tempting to create Bitcoin, seeing it going up so high and still not selling any of it, right? Unless he's like already rich or something. Dr. Doc says, of course they want to ban it, what they can't control. Yeah, and look, guys, in my opinion, like, I think Bitcoin is really a miracle. I think Bitcoin is really a miracle in our lifetime. I think it's a miracle because the way that it came out, like as a fair launch, you know what I mean, the supply, right? The fact that it's gonna get more scarce, and the fact that when it came out, like, it's not like Bitcoin is like a random coin that came out last year and like VCs have 20% of it and the marketing team has 5% or something like ridiculous like that, right? Like, no, Bitcoin, when Bitcoin came out, it was just a fair, like, no big people was investing in it, no VCs. Just the only people that were buying Bitcoin were like libertarians, or like as a joke, right? To be, you know, buying certain things online, probably like in the black market and stuff. And it was just a really like fair launch, right? So in my opinion, when you look at Bitcoin, when you really see that, and that's really what brings me to Bitcoin, it's not necessarily the supply of Bitcoin, but necessarily the launch of it, the fair launch, and how it came to be. I feel like that is just really a miracle, and I feel like we'll probably not see something like that again, right? Something from small like that get so big to what Bitcoin is today, right? And I'm pretty sure a lot of coins try to mimic it, but I don't think there'll ever be something as big as that type of launch Bitcoin had. The Liquidity Trader says, I hold Bitcoin, bro, and have been since 2018. But you must understand anything is possible. Yeah. There's people with millions of Bitcoins that lost it. Satoshi has the most Bitcoin. He said he would never sell at 1 million. Wait, really? He said he would never sell at 1 million? Some homeless guy offered me some Bitcoin way back in the day. My parents pulled me away fast. Really? That's weird. So he was a homeless guy and he had Bitcoin. Ledmark says, I heard about Bitcoin back in 2016 and regretted not getting on when it was a few $100s. Yeah, man. And I wish I was the same age back then when Bitcoin was $100, because I would have probably bought some. And I know everybody says that, but like, I'm the type of person that I love doing research. And if I would have looked into Bitcoin and I would have seen that, man, okay, this has limited supply, this is a blockchain technology, I would have looked into blockchain technology, I would have seen the, you know, the halvening and all that, and I've been, man, like, let me get a couple of this, you know. I would have bought, like, I honestly would have bought some. Okay. The Odd Spartan says, I think it was a rogue group of people. Okay, so the Odd Spartan says that he thinks that the creators of Bitcoin was a rogue group of people. Yeah, it could be, right? It could be. According to Dan Pena, you said that once the creator of Bitcoin comes out, once we know who the creator of Bitcoin officially is, then it's gonna go to zero. It's just gonna, in 1 second, just go to zero, according to him. Oh, I think he said that it's Putin, right? Didn't he say that that it's Putin? That is Vladimir Putin. Wow, thank you guys so much for the 5K likes. We've been getting 5K likes, 92 viewers. Thank you guys so much. Bitcoin equals Putin. Yeah, you guys think the creator of Bitcoin is Putin? Imagine finding an old geocache cold wallet with tons of Bitcoin and password. that would be the jackpot right there, right? That would be the dream. Finding that wallet, you know, from back in the day, right? The Amish created Bitcoin, lol, just kidding. Yeah, I mean, there's rumors that the government, our own government, created Bitcoin, right? There's rumors on that. And if one country ban it, people will move to the country that is with it and build a new Rome. Yeah, exactly. That's my thing with Bitcoin and crypto, right? If United States, which is the biggest country, bans crypto and Bitcoin, like, that's not gonna kill crypto. In fact, like, in my opinion, guys, like, I think it's more likely, and I know this is insane, I know this is crazy, but I think it's more likely for the USA to be invaded and taken over than for crypto to die. Because crypto is, like, global, right? Bitcoin is global. And when you really think about it, what's the only way for Bitcoin to die? For it to basically be conquered and die, right? It's just like when I think about it, it's just like a global, one world, communistic world where you know, every country seizes, you know, Bitcoin miners, or maybe there's like an EMP global or something crazy like that. But you guys get what I'm saying. Like, I feel like it's more likely for a country today to be invaded, conquered, right, taken over, right, than for crypto to die or Bitcoin to die, just because it's global, it's decentralized, and that's my opinion on it, right? There's always going to be people that take it, even if a country bans it, right? It's about control at this point. I bet the Vatican Pope created it. You think so? I mean, I feel like they would probably have sold it. But I believe Russia and China are huge players as long as our own government. Yeah, that's true, Davian. So many wallets with thousands of Bitcoins that will never be touched, right? Because a lot of them are wallets that people lost. Dr. Doc says, nope, it won't kill crypto. There'll be a lot of people leaving the United States, though. Yeah, and there already has been so many people that left the United States, right? Like, I follow crypto tips on YouTube. They're this couple that basically left the United States a while ago to go to Portugal, which is way more crypto friendly, right? And they've been you know, really happy living in Portugal and being investors in crypto, right? El Salvador is another place as well. Out of all the friendly crypto countries, guys, which one would you guys live? Like, if you had to pick one, let's say you became a crypto millionaire and the United States not banned crypto, but had big regulations on crypto. Like there was like a 50% crypto tax, something crazy like that, right? And you were a crypto millionaire, and you were forced, like you basically like, okay, I gotta get the heck out of here. Out of all the friendly crypto countries, which one would you live in if you had to pick today? Let me know which one it would be. Me personally, is Costa Rica crypto friendly? Are they crypto friendly? If they are, I would probably pick Costa Rica. If the Costa Rica is not crypto friendly, I would probably pick Dubai. Dubai. And then if Dubai, I think Dubai is crypto friendly, right? If Dubai is not crypto friendly, my next pick would probably be Portugal, especially for the fact that I speak Portuguese. I'm Brazilian, so I speak Portuguese, so I feel like I would, get along there. But let me know where you guys will be. Bouncy Gate says Thailand. Is Thailand crypto friendly? Nufo says El Salvador. The great crypto migration is about to start. Get ready. Yeah, it's gonna be very soon, man. It's gonna be crazy. And guys, like this is the fifth industrial revolution. Like this is gonna be the greatest transfer of wealth that we see in mankind history, in my opinion. It is gonna be the crypto adoption. Aquafish says, look for the cheapest country and go all in on that. Yeah, that's a great point, right? Look at the real estate in that country too, right? I don't know if Thailand is crypto friendly. I'm going to Thailand, Vietnam, Korea, Philippines. Yeah, those are great. I like Thailand. Crypto Business says, but if you leave the USA, you have to give back your citizenship. I'm glad we don't have to in Australia. Yeah, that's what sucks, right? You do have to give back your citizenship, while in Australia you don't. I'm a realtor. You're a realtor, really? Bounty Gate, since you're a realtor, in your opinion, right now, with the rates right now, in your opinion, do you think it's a good time to refinance or like buy a house? In your opinion? Obviously not financial advice, but I just wanted to know from a realtor, with the rates right now, right? Is it a good time to refinance or buy a house, or is it the best time to sell a house, in your opinion? Do you see the market's gonna go up in housing the next coming months and years, or do you think it's gonna go down? Mina says, here in the Philippines, very cheap if you are American. Aquafish says, bro, who cares if you're a billionaire? You can just buy it back. Yeah, that's true, right? The Oddsbarn says, the creators' lives would most likely be at stake. They changed the world for all the new industry. Yeah, they basically created a new industrial revolution, right? So that's true. They would be at stake. Bounty Gay says, it's a good time to buy because housing prices have dropped and the interest rates could still go up. Okay, so you think it's a good time to buy because yeah, housing prices did drop a little bit, right? And you're right, the interest rate, that's one thing. Interest rates can continue to go up, especially if we have more inflation. If inflation continues to skyrocket, you're right about that. So you think it is a good time to refinance and lock in the rate right now and basically like get equity on your house? Dr. Doc says, I would definitely wait. The housing market is slowly going down. Art Travel says, crypto is the new medicine. South Africa is big on it. Ethiopia, New Zealand, yes, Africa is big on crypto. Nigeria as well, right? And that's what I love about Africa too, right? A lot of African nations adopting crypto and getting away from, this system, right, where the government controls everything, right? So it really is good. Really is good to know. Houses are still too expensive. Yeah, I agree. Houses are still very expensive. Bounty Gay says if inflation skyrockets, we're effed up. Don't refinance unless you have a 7.8% interest rate. Wait, what do you mean don't refinance unless you have a 7.8% interest rate? Because aren't those rates high? Like, let's say you get like a 5, let's say you're able to refinance with a 5% interest rate. Would you say that's a good deal? Dr. Doc says, yes, I work in the new build construction and work is slowing a lot, so is the building. Yeah, that's true. And that's the thing, guys, right? Like, it's sad the way the system works, right? With the Fed increasing rates, what that's been doing is it's been causing a lot of layoffs, a lot of people losing their jobs. It's been slowing down a lot of things because with higher interest rates, it slows down the cost to do business, right? So, you know, on the other side for that, we have layoffs. We have a lot of people, you know, slowing down in their jobs, and that causes layoff. You know, that causes a lot of people losing their jobs, right? And yeah, and I do agree. If inflation continues to go high, even with these high rates, that is gonna be very, very. We're basically gonna be effed up, right? Bounty Gay says I have a 2.9% interest rate. Wow, that's really good. We might not see those rates for a while, right? Like I bought and I got 2.9% and 6.7%. 6.7 is normal a year later. Yeah, it's crazy, right? And like a big reason for that, like a big reason for the interest rates going up like crazy, guys, which a lot of people kind of forget, is all the money printing, right? People forget about that, right? We printed trillions of dollars, right? Of course inflation is gonna rise, which is gonna cause rates to rise too. So we usually forget about that, the fact that we printed trillions of dollars, right? Stimulus checks and all that. And we definitely see the result from it. Aquafish says it's crazy how my house, I couldn't afford the same house if I didn't buy it when I did. Yeah, it's insane, right? It's crazy to see how much it appreciated, which is, it really is a great investment if you bought years ago, right? If you guys bought a house years ago. Bounty Gay says we will never see 2% again. And to be honest, Bounty Gay, I kind of agree with that. I at least for a while, right? Because and I think the biggest factor for that is all the money printing, right? That's the big reason why I think we're not gonna see 2% again, because of all the money that we printed and inflation that we gained, right? So Dr. Doc says, well, the interest rates are going up also because of all the low 0% interest loans from before. Yeah, that's true. That's a big factor as well, right? Bounty Gay says, yeah, people that waited are paying at least $50K or more for the same house. Yeah, you know, I remember a lot of people, you know, that still are basically waiting, right? There are a lot of people have been just waiting to buy a house, and it's just been. And in your opinion, Bounty Gay, do you think we're gonna have a big crash like 2008 level, right? Because like similar to 2008, we just seen the housing prices increase until it got to a point where people couldn't afford a house, right? Do you think we're gonna have a big crash in the housing market similar to 2008 in the near future, or do you think it's just going to like slow down but continue to over time increase, in your opinion? Kev Dog says, what do you think about the mining companies like Riot or Mara? I think it's gonna follow Bitcoin, right? Bitcoin in the crypto markets. If they if they continue to do well, Riot and Mara are going to do well as well, right? So if you want to get more into other diversification, like in other stocks, right, definitely look into mining companies, especially if you're big in crypto, right? Because if you think crypto is going to do well, then mining companies are going to do well, right? And Riot and Mara being, you know, some of the bigger ones. Those days are over. House prices are always going to be high now. Choppy markets. Dr. Doc says it's actually a lot cheaper to hire independent instead of builders. Half the cost. What do you mean by independent? So what do you mean by hiring independent instead of builders? Crypto Business says Dubai very crypto friendly. Okay, that's great. So yeah, like if I was forced to live in a crypto friendly country, I would probably pick Dubai and then Portugal as the second place. And I gotta research Costa Rica. I don't know if Costa Rica is crypto friendly, but I do like Costa Rica. Like there's a big community of nomads, right? Like American nomads, European, Australia, like so many people around the world that live in Costa Rica. Dr. Doc says, oh, you build a house yourself and hire independent laborers. Oh, okay, I see what you're saying. So Dr. Doc says it's a lot cheaper to hire independent laborers and inspectors versus builders. Half the cost. Wow, that's great to know. That's definitely great to know if you're looking to do that in the future. Bounty Gay says, I think we'll have a smaller crash, if even a crash. I see new homes being built in 1950s. I didn't mean to send that. Okay, so you see, if you do have a crash, it'll be like a smaller crash. Not to like the level as 08, right? In your opinion? I think we'll have a smaller crash. New homes being built in 70-year-old neighborhoods. Okay, I see what you're saying. That's good to know. At least that's some good news for, you know, the people waiting to get in to buy a house, right? You know, like I personally, I've been looking to buy, you know, my goal is to buy a house in Florida. That's where I want to move to. And like, I remember just 2 years ago, right? I was looking at the houses there. And since then, it basically just, you know, not doubled, but increased like 1/3 or even like a little bit more in price, right? And it's crazy because when I was looking at the houses in Florida before the, you know, the huge crisis or whatever, it was just like so low, like really low prices. A-Travel says, I don't think we are going to crash like they say because too much people are aware it's like a chess move. Yeah, that's true, right? I agree with that, Travel. Yes, the summer might be a great time to buy a home. Yeah, a lot of people have been saying that this summer we might see a crash. It could be like a smaller crash like you said. So this summer might be a good time to buy a home. We might see a big nice price decrease in the market. Right, especially with it not being very competitive, right? Aquafish says the struggle is getting land when you buy a house, Lewis. What do you mean by that? The struggle is getting land when you buy a house. What do you mean by that? Montague says I can help you buy a home in Florida. Really? I'll be interested. I'd definitely be interested, because I've been me and my wife have been saving, right? And I mean, we're still, you know, this is something long term. It's like now, it's not like we're looking to go there next year or something. Heck, who knows? Maybe with the, you know, the crypto gains, right? But you know, it is something long term that we're looking at. You know, we're looking to move there. But yeah, definitely for sure. You know, I'll definitely be interested. So I don't know, what do you have? You can definitely and I'll get you a deal. PM me. Yeah, let me know how I can PM you, through TikTok, or do you have is there somewhere else you would like to be PM'd? What's the safest place to buy Bitcoin? I would say safest place is, you know, to be honest, like any exchange that you can withdraw it as soon as possible, like Coinbase, Kraken. And I know you have to, like, when you put money into these exchanges, you gotta wait like 5 to 7 days, right? But like Coinbase, I recommend Coinbase, Kraken, right? And then after that, you withdraw it to a ledger, and that's like the safest thing, right? Instead of holding it on an exchange, in my opinion. I'll get the realtor's cost down on here. Really, you're able to do that? That's awesome. Yeah, man, I'll definitely be interested. You know, you just got yourself a long-term client. A Travel says, because you'll never really own the land, that's what he means. Oh, okay, I see what he's saying. I see what he's saying. Because you never really own the land, yeah. But yeah, I've been like over the last few years, I just been researching a lot of Florida, really like the areas. I really want to, you know which area I'm looking to move to, and I still have like 3 certain areas. And me and my wife actually traveled like twice to Florida, to 2 different areas to see how it is, and we really liked it, both the areas. So, you know, we have like 3 areas that we're still looking at, which areas. But again, we're long term, right? We're seeing you know, what happens, and by then we'll definitely probably have know where we want to move to, which area in Florida. Aquafish says, depending on the area, land can be scarce, especially in the city. Yeah, it's like buying land in New York, right, in the 1800s, right, in Manhattan. That's what I feel like crypto is today. I feel like crypto is like buying land in New York, or Bitcoin, or the coins that actually survive. Bontige says, nah, I'm the USA, you own the land. In Mexico, you don't. Oh, really? I did not know that. Wait. So in Mexico, you don't actually own the land? Is that true? What? Is that true? Like, there's certain countries that you don't own the land? Wow. I never knew that. I mean, obviously, like communist countries, right? But wow. If you had only $1,000 to invest in Bitcoin, what price would you be waiting to enter? Great question, Aaron Clark. Great question. To be honest, right now, I gotta look here at the charts, to be honest. I don't know. I feel like 21. I feel like there's a lot of demand here around 21K, 21,300, around 21K. So I would wait. You can see right here how much liquidity, right? How much demand we have in this range. So I think most likely we'll come back down here in the future around 21K and between 19K. So that's where I would probably buy in. Orlando is a great place to live. I used to live there. Really? I visited there. I visited Orlando, and I liked it. You know, it's one place on my list. But if I were to live there, I'll probably not live like in the city. I'll probably live like on the outskirts of Orlando, like on the outskirts cities, right? But I liked it. I really liked the vibe of Orlando. You know, especially for the fact that it's like inland and there's a lot to do too, right? Bontige says, nah, dude, almost no country besides the USA allows foreigners to buy land. You can buy the home. Wow. That's like that's just crazy. I never knew that. So almost no country besides the USA allows foreigners to buy the land. You can buy the home. Wow. That's insane, right? Well, I should preface that with land you want to buy in a country. Yeah. It's a great place to live. Yeah, and you know, I'm still looking. I'm gonna see which place. I mean, I'm still like open to both East Coast and West Coast, Florida. So I'm still looking. China buying up our farmland. Yeah, China is buying up a lot of our land, which I think is wrong. I don't think China should be able to buy our land, especially our farmland, right? Like, it's very suspicious. But I think there should just be laws that, you know, to not let China, especially, right, like a communist country, buying up our farmland. Like, why are we letting a communist country buy up our farmland, right? And Bill Gates, right, who basically pushes, you know, these plant-based meats, right, who basically is against, you know, the cow emissions and grass-fed cows, right? And it pushes all this plant-based garbage that we know it's all like processed garbage, right? So you know, Bill Gates and you know, all these guys, like people out there that have no idea what's going on, right? Like they think Bill Gates is like a hero. You know, they look at Bill Gates because he's a philanthropist, and they see Bill Gates donating to this foundation. It has a foundation, and they think that he's a hero, but he's really not, right? You dig deep into it, you know, we know what he's up to. And you know these people that give so much to charity, right? A lot of these people really, they're really not what they seem like they are, right? Just because they give to charity doesn't mean that they're behind corruption, right? Bill Gates says that we're 95% overpopulated. Yeah, that's insane, right? And that's the thing. A lot of people, like these guys are like eugenics, right? These guys are eugenics. That they want to depopulate the earth. They think it's like overpopulated. And you know, Elon is like the opposite. He thinks that we're not overpopulated, right? And I agree with him. I feel like it seems like we're overpopulated because we live in these cities, these pockets. But man, you can probably cram the whole entire population of the earth into like Texas or something, a smaller state probably, right? So Sniff says, don't mandate homes to upgrade to carbon-friendly infrastructure. Yeah, I remember you said that. Carrie says, Florida is nice. Sniff says, I think they'll engineer a fake climate event and it will cause BS carbon mandates, though they're already putting fake meat in all the restaurants and grocery stores. Yeah, and like that like I'm a big fighter against that, guys. Like I really am against that whole, you know, plant-based processed seed oils, right? Yeah, I'm against that because it's garbage for your body. It's like you don't want to be putting that into your body, right? And that's why one of my biggest dreams is to have a homestead. That's one of my biggest dreams, is to have a homestead, not a farm, because a farm I feel is like too much responsibility. Like a farm is to like make profit and you basically work off of your farm and all that. But I feel like a homestead is awesome because it's not too much work and you're self-sufficient enough to provide for yourself and your family, and maybe even like you have enough to share for your neighbors or sell. So I think a homestead is awesome, and it's definitely something that I'm looking into, especially when you look at the world today and where it's going, right? It's just scary, right? So if you guys make profit from these crypto gains, do not sleep on buying land, right? Agriculture, don't sleep on buying agriculture, right? So Elon having babies like eating peanuts. Mark says, I heard Bill Gates owns 90% of farmlands. Well, I don't know if it's that much, but I know it's a big amount. Bouncy Gates says, they got fake eggs now because average prices of dozen of eggs is like $6. Really? They have fake eggs now? I haven't seen that yet, but that's crazy. Look at this. Look where the world is heading, right? Fake meat, fake eggs, fake fruit. Like even the fruit, guys. Like even the fruit is just being modified, genetically modified to have so much sugar and less fiber, right? Like back then, bananas had seeds in it, right? But back then, bananas had actual fiber. Now bananas are like, it's basically like a candy bar, right? It's just so sweet. So I don't know, it's just scary. But you know, we gotta be optimistic, right? We gotta be optimistic. Andrew says, is the best way to pull profits by putting it into stable coins like USD so you won't be taxed as bad. I mean, you still will be taxed if you pull profits into USD, right? If you take profits into USD, you're still gonna be taxed. Even if you have a pair of Bitcoin, you'll still be taxed for, you know, basically that pair. From like switching it from like Ethereum to Bitcoin, Bitcoin to Ethereum, you'll still be taxed. Bounty Gate says, "Oh yeah, fake plant-based eggs." Wow, I haven't seen that yet. So look at that. Bounty Gate just let us know that they have now fake plant-based eggs. Like, and it's insane, right? Because you guys gotta understand, they got so much money that they're gonna push this regardless if people like it or not. They're gonna force people to like this by making it normal. That's what you guys gotta understand. How will they make it normal? Easy, by putting it in places where the majority of people go to, like Dunkin' Donuts, right? You've seen like the Impossible Burger, the plant-based burgers in McDonald's, right? And Burger King and all these places. They've been pushing it everywhere, and they're probably gonna continue to push it because they got the big bucks, right? They got the money to push it. And if you really look into what's in it, it's just garbage. Like, it's not healthy just because it's plant-based. It's just very processed, filled with seed oils, and just it's just gonna, you know, inflame your body, and it's just bad. That's just really, you know. Sniff says, you don't own anything you have to pay for taxes for. Almost every country pays a cautionary tax on food. Wow. Crypto Binner says, China has also bought a lot of farmland in Australia as well. They own a lot of cows in Australia. Wow. Yeah, in Brazil too. Brazil, I'm from Brazil, and I've heard a lot of people, you know, from family in Brazil, that China is buying up a lot of Brazil farm too. It's just like, you know, how does China have so much money that they're buying up all this agriculture, right? Bonsuke says, if you want less taxes, you have to hold for at least over a year. Yeah, we'll go from 35 to 10%. Yep, exactly. Wow, guys, we got 95 viewers. We've been able to maintain over 95 viewers, 7K likes. Man, you guys have been killing it this live stream. And man, work definitely pays off. Work definitely pays off. You know, from live streaming, getting, you know, 20 viewers, 10 viewers, right? Thank you guys so much. Are you using Streamlabs? Yes. So Doomer Boy, basically, I'm actually, the way that I'm live streaming is I have my phone facing my PC, and I'm using Streamlabs. This is Streamlabs, which I'm live streaming to YouTube at the same time, which is so annoying because TikTok only gives you a stream key once you reach 10K followers, and you gotta like request it. But I'm also gonna be able to live stream right off of my PC. It's gonna be a lot cleaner, you guys. It's not gonna be like, you know, this type of quality. But that's my goal, 10K. Yeah, it is BS, right? It's BS because like they don't give a stream key. Like, they make it so hard to give a stream key to be able to live stream from your PC. that you got to reach 10K. And hey, I get it. Like I get it. Like they're trying to make it, you know, the better quality influencers, but it sucks because I literally gotta face my phone facing my PC and get it like a good angle. But it's all good. We're gonna reach 10K soon, so I appreciate you coming on here. Bounty Gay says US and Russia really need to come together just like World War II. Yeah, that's right. I wouldn't say we came together in World War II, right? I mean, yeah, towards like, you know, the end of it. But after that, we entered a Cold War, right? Because we still were like, you know, Russia was communist. We were, you know, capitalist, right? So that's, you know, when the Cold War started. But you're right? Like, you know, towards the end, defeating Nazi Germany, we basically came together. Yo, man, could you check out Axie, please? Yes, I sound. Sorry I haven't been able to read your comment, but I'll check out Axie Infinity for you. I can't get you to 10K followers in 2 weeks. I can get you to 10K. Really? I'll definitely message you, Bouncy Gate. I'll definitely be interested, because, you know, once I get 10K, it's gonna be awesome, because the stream is gonna be way better quality. I'm gonna be able to live stream on my computer. But yeah, thank you so much, man. Thank you for the help, Bouncy Gate. Thank you for the help with real estate and this as well. I'll definitely PM you. I'll PM you here on TikTok. But if there's some other place that you rather, you know, PM, like whether it's on Twitter, Telegram, email, like wherever, right? Just let me know. But Cold War equals money, yeah. Bro, send me a message whenever and I got you. Hey, thank you so much, bro. I'll definitely send you a message after the live stream. But let's take a look here at Axie Infinity. So Axie Infinity, basically what happened the last couple days is we work our way back up here, right? And we test this range, right? This is a big liquidity here. A big liquidity grab, right? Look at that. Big liquidity grab right there in this supply, right? So what happens is we get rejected from the bottom of the range here, which is around $12.32, right? The top of the range is around $16. So we get rejected, which is bearish. And you can see here that we've been in this downtrend ever since we got rejected. But, right, obviously recently with the recent pump here of Bitcoin, we started to form a new structure. So this might be the next retest of that range. Okay, this new structure uptrend here might be the next retest of that range. So I can definitely see Axie Infinity in the next coming days start to go up here to $12, back into this range to $12, $13, and possibly to the top of the range around $16 in my opinion. Okay. That's what I see for Axie Infinity. I think it's starting to pivot right now to start to go back to test that range, $12. What's Bitcoin's next move? Yeah, I'll definitely check out Bitcoin here for you, bro. Thanks for coming to the live stream. If you guys are new again, definitely follow. I live stream every single day, and tomorrow, I'm going to is the live paused? I think it's good now, right? Yeah, it's good. Yeah, definitely follow. I live stream every day, and tomorrow I'm gonna have a XRP giveaway. Okay, I'm gonna be giving away some XRP just to give back to you guys. Thank you so much for the gifts. Motion Bay, thank you for the fire, bro. Possible 25. Yeah, I can see us going to 25K in the next coming, maybe even tomorrow, right? But yeah, tomorrow I'm gonna do a giveaway. I don't know. I might make it fun. I'm gonna see how I'm gonna do the giveaway. Cause I'm gonna do something like, oh, try to guess what price, you know, this will be in the next hour or something like that. I'm gonna do like a fun giveaway. But yeah, look, Bitcoin next move. You know, right here. This is where we need to break. We need to break the top of this 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 uptrend right here. See this top of this uptrend here, right? This resistance level here. This is what we need to break. We actually came up to it 4 times, right? Once today, 3, 2, 3, 4, 5 times actually. So we need to break this. Once we break this, we can definitely have a short squeeze to 26,800. To be honest, we can, but we gotta make 25.3 a support, right? Well, we gotta break that 25.3k resistance level. How do we qualify for the giveaway? Yeah, so I'm gonna see. It's gonna be easy to qualify. I'm just gonna see what I'm gonna do for the giveaway. I'm gonna try to make it fun, like I said. So it'd be like a fun giveaway where people can, you know, maybe guess a certain coin or something like that. And I'm gonna do more giveaways, guys. Instead of doing one big giveaway, I'm gonna do small giveaways each live stream, just so I could have, you know, be able to do more giveaways each live stream. I feel like it'll be great. Bitcoin breaking out in the sleeping hours. Yeah, Asian market, we might break out in the sleeping hours, right? Asia market might bring this to 25k. So if Asian market is bullish, right, we might blast through that. We might blast through that resistance into 25k. And if we do blast through that, right, I can see us coming up here to possibly 25,400, right? Mainly because right here we can see there's a huge wick down. Look at this huge wick down here to 25,300 back in May 2022. You see that? Sorry, I think it paused right there for some reason. But look at this. Look at this huge wick down here. May 2022. We have a huge wick down to exactly 25,420 or 25,360. Yeah, like 25,360. So I think if we do blast through this 25,360, we will definitely see some resistance around there, or even possibly 25,400 for sure, right? Sniff says it's crazy how everyone ignored Jewish supremacy and corruption. They killed Patton because he knew the US and Great Britain were controlled by Rothschilds. Elon pushes the outer space hoax, wants everyone to drive EVs. He too bans Holocaust denial on Twitter. They're all under the Jews. The Bible tells us that they're the children of Satan. What time will you be streaming at? So I'm gonna try to stream before the market opens, because I want to do like setups, but throughout the middle of the day. So definitely, you know, 11 p.m. I'll probably do the giveaway, because I'm not gonna do the giveaway the first hour of streaming. I'm gonna do later during the live stream. So probably during around 12. So, you know, if you guys, you know, want to go, you know, be in the beginning of the stream, you just want to come when I do the giveaway, definitely come around 11:30 a.m. Eastern time, right? Like New York time, Eastern time, 11:30, 12, right? 12:30, around there. What do you think of Floki? I like Floki. I actually have some Floki. I'm happy I got some before this huge. Floki's up 78% today, right? So I like Floki. Again, with these meme coins, I don't invest a crazy amount of money into them, but I invest a little bit. But I like Floki. I think they're actually coming out with a game and all that, so I hope that everything does play out well with Floki. But yeah, yeah, guys, I'm gonna do a giveaway tomorrow for XRP. Definitely join tomorrow throughout the day. I just want to thank you guys so much. Today we got over 100 views. We got 10k likes. Wow, 10k likes, guys. You guys have been killing it. Again, if you guys are new to me, my name is Sir Lewis. I'm a crypto trader, crypto YouTuber. I got 32k subscribers on YouTube. I'm actually live streaming there right now. Definitely follow me on YouTube as well. Ever since the beginning of this bear market, I've been live streaming almost every day. I've been making TikToks and everything, and man, it's already starting to pay off. And I just want to thank you guys so much, and thank you so much, Bounty Gate, for the support. I'll definitely message you, and thank you all of you guys as well. And yeah, thank you guys We're coming to the Crypto Hangout episode 25. If you guys want to see all my past, let's say you missed the live stream, I have a playlist on YouTube. It's all in my link tree, but they're unlisted videos, so you can only access it through this playlist, and it's in my link tree. And all the Crypto Hangouts, like each live stream I do is a Crypto Hangout. This is Crypto Hangout episode 25. Each Crypto Hangout is in that private playlist. So if you miss one, or you want to like go back to see what I said, or see something, it's all in my link tree, which is like my playlist, so you can access it there. But thanks for coming to the Crypto Hangout episode 25, and tomorrow will be episode 26 of the Crypto Hangout. And thank you guys for coming here, hanging out, and I'll catch you guys tomorrow. Love you guys. Thank you guys so much for the support, for everything, and yeah, peace. Alright guys, I'll catch you guys tomorrow. Peace.
The art is the stream.